Good morning, everybody. Welcome to JTraedz TV, where we discuss all stock-related contents and much more. Sorry about that. I just got in. I not too long ago got off the Google Meet meeting, guys, with a few traders, and had a good conversation. And so we have a lot to look forward towards, man. And I'm excited about it. And so far, guys, right now we're still rocking and rolling on the upside. Uh, Keep in mind, guys, that high day that those buys are trying to push up to, we already know between that is going to be up towards that 749.53. Keep that on watch. Right now, we are starting off with a push to the upside. We're already around these top areas. What I'm going to do is expect a pullback because I'm still long buys at this time. So right now, from yesterday's setup going into today, we do have an uptrend building up, guys. We do have an uptrend building up towards the upside at this moment. We do have an uptrend. Let me go ahead and take off this trend line that we don't need no more because we already broke above that price point. Right now, guys, from yesterday's bottoms, you can clearly see that bottom. We have this first bottom here, then we have this secondary bottom here, creating an uptrend in the ascending triangle pattern up towards that high of day, which is 749.53. So we already know what buys are trying to go. We already know buys are trying to push to the upside. Keep in mind that's going to be your all-time high is 749.53. Keep that on watch. I'm not chasing the tops. I am expecting a little bit of a pullback. But yesterday, guys, I told you to watch that previous candle close. That was the area that I was trying to get in yesterday before the market closed. They wound up holding it in pre-market and wound up utilizing that area, bouncing back to the upside above yesterday's high of day. Now above pre-market's high of day and so forth. And you can clearly see the rotation. You can clearly see the movement that we're still trying to push our way up towards the upside, trying to push our way towards that high of day. We do have a bull flag pattern setting up in motion and so forth. So right now, we're definitely trying to go for that push up towards that 49.53 level. So definitely keep that on watch to see can we go for that second leg up to the upside towards the above that 48 to that 49.53 price point. So right now, and then like I said, keep in mind today is Friday, guys, the last trading day of the week. Next week, guys, we're only going to have 4 days of trading, not 5, because we do have a holiday on Monday, which is Memorial Day. So don't forget about that. So right now, keeping on watch. Let me look on my chart to see. Man, I already know we already broke through those levels, guys. We already broke through it already. So let's see where we go from here. Let's see where we can go from here. Because like I said, our intended target is up towards that 49.53 for sure. So we got level number 1 and then up towards level number 2. Let me see. Why do I have that 48? What was that 48 level? Let me see. Let's see. 48.31. Miss B, good morning. So as I can see, guys, we wind up finding our way right back in this little range from post-market into pre-market, and we wind up holding these bottoms. You can already see that we turn resistance into support, wind up bouncing off that bad boy and reversing back to the upside with a strong push. And you can clearly see. I'll show y'all right here. Let me see. Go back a little bit. Go back a little back, just a little bit. Because like I said, right here, all they did, we wound up getting right back in this range. All they did was just take resistance, turn that bad boy into support, wound up getting that flip, got above that high of day, and got that push to the upside. So keep that in mind. Do I still think that we can still go up? Yeah, I still think so. After we get this little pullback down, I'm going to definitely be looking for some possible bad traps setting up for buys to hold and go for that reversal back up. So I'm expecting that. So I'm waiting on a pullback to the downside. So you already know me. Y'all know me better than that. I do not chase. So I will be expecting some pullback down towards that 200-day moving average. Back down towards that old previous candle high to see if we're going to hold. Kind of create like a bad trap right in this little zone where we're going to hold this trend line. So this is what I'm expecting. I'll draw it out. This is what I'm expecting, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I'm expecting. Let me move this over a little bit and go to Windows. So I'm expecting after we pull back, I'm expecting us to go down here, test these levels, start to trap, even if we get a little pullback below, kind of start trapping these shorts, buy back up, get back on top of that high day, and then reverse. This is kind of like what I'm anticipating for us to do. That's kind of like what I'm anticipating. So for a nice little pullback on down underneath that 46, down to that 44 area where we had that high day, where we can start this, kind of commence and create that little zone where buyers going to try to protect and hold or create a trap for those shorts, reverse right back up towards that upside. So that's what I'm anticipating. So I'm going to see how we get that deep pull back down this way real quick. And to see, once we get a deep pull back, hold that key level for that possible bounce back to the upside. But I'm going to keep on watching to see where we go from here. Excuse me, because I don't want to buy at the tops. So I'm definitely going to wait for a little pullback down, see where we go. See where those buys going to step in at. So I want to try to utilize this area for the new demand zone. So let me mark that off in green instead of red. I'm going to try to mark this little area off for the new demand zone area. So, I mean, and ladies, the ones I did talk to in Google Meets, y'all know what we're trying to, y'all already know the game plan. Y'all know what to expect on what we're trying to do. As far as on the upside, of course. So y'all got that down pack. Y'all, we know what to expect and what we're trying to do. What's the top gain as far as today? Got AMD at 3.5%, followed by Apple. So keep that on watch. Let me move that over. Let me see what Apple's doing. Apple has a bull flag pattern set up. I see that already. Come on, chart. I hate when it does this. Oh my God. Why does it keep doing this? I'm gonna punch this thing. Seriously. I hate when it does this. There we go. So you got a bull flag pattern set up already on Apple. How are we looking on AMD? AMD already started to turn. Let me see. Alright, got a high day, 81.41. 81.41. Apple still looking good. Got a nice little bull flag pattern on that bad boy. 309-ish area that we need to break. How did we go? 308.95 on that one. Still waiting on SPY to set up. Still waiting on SPY to set itself up. 895. It's gonna be the alert on Apple. AMD needs to pick itself back up off these. Let me see what these bottoms are gonna be. Let's see if they can try to hold right here. Let me see if they can try to hold right here at this little level. About right here. Right off that 65 level right here. Start off with. See if they're gonna hold. Put that at the bottom. 3. What's the price point? 65. Bam. And then we got these highs all the way up towards a 481.41. Yeah, and those tops that way. Okay. Still watching SPY, still watching this pullback, Okay, AMD, see can we hold 65? Can we see a possible red to green move on that bad boy? Back on up. Apple, we still got this bull flag pattern setting up for sure. Got to get above that 308.50. Get above 308.50. Up towards that 309. About 308.50. Need to get above for sure. Wow, on that one. That push back up towards that 309 level. All right. Wow. Those bottoms, what's those bottoms at 307? Right. Cool. So I got this little range set up for Apple. I got this range set up for AMD. SPY, I'm still keeping on watch to see. Let's see. Where's that level up here? I see this high day. So we need to get that push back up. Top of this high day right here. Right now, where's that high at? 47.27. Let's see, guys. So what are you guys looking at so far? What are y'all guys game playing? Nadia, I see you, Queen. 746, a good entry for a bounce play. Right now I'm watching this hive day to see if they're gonna try to recoup right on top of here. Look like they're trying to. Right where we at? Right on top of this hive day. That's why I put my mark in to see if that's gonna hold right here for right now. To see if they're gonna try to stay in this little area. So that's why I marked it off just now to see if they was gonna try to hold. Yeah, that's why I marked that little level off real quick, just to see if that's what they was gonna do. So I'm keeping it on watch to see. It's gonna buy right back on top. I'm trying to see if those buys gonna try to maintain this little level real quick before we do pull all the way back down. I want to see what's about to happen. I know we pulling back underneath. We're gonna see if they're gonna try to recover. They're gonna try to set up like a. I want to see what they're about to do real quick. No, right now we're still pulling. Right now we're still pulling. I want to see us get back above that 47.27 level to see if they're gonna buy back up real quick before this candle closes. Cause it's got about 4 minutes, so they still got time to push back up. So I want to see what they're gonna do. Cause you're right at the VWAP. I want to see if they're gonna start to try to buy back up off this, try to reverse that candle back to the upside. Or will we pull? Cause you do have you have lower shadows like right in that little area. I just want to see if they're gonna try to buy back up. If they got enough buying strip to buy right back on top of it. I know right now we're still pulling. We're still pulling right now there. So I'm keeping it on watch to see what's about to happen right here. Still pulling. I want to see if they're going to buy back up real quick. That's what I want to see, if they're going to buy back up. Keeping it on watch though. Keeping it on watch. I'm watching my contracts too, guys. I'm watching my contracts. Here we go. Let's see if they're going to buy back up. Real quick. Do they have enough buying strength to bounce off that VWAP and back above that 747.27? Let's see. Look like they're trying to. Yep. Let's see. What we got left on this counter? 3 minutes. 3 minutes. All right, let's see. Let's see what we get. Nadia. Let's see what we get, Queen. I want to see if they're going to hold this little area first before we fall all the way back down towards those areas we talked about yesterday. Because, I mean, that's all the way back down towards, like, the 744s. Back down this way. I'm trying to hurry up and do this while we got the... before we fall all the way back down this way. You know, towards these areas here. You know, that 744 down to that 743. Remember, that was yesterday's hive day, that previous candle. Hive day and that previous candle close. So, before we fall back that way, I want to see if they're going to hold this level first. But right now, it's still looking a little weak. They haven't bought back up yet. I was trying to see if they're going to try to get back on top of this little pre-market high right here. But they still pulling. So no go yet on my end. So they still pulling back down. I know it's a lot of choppiness, guys. I know it's a lot of choppiness. Trust me, I know it's a lot. Right now, we're still pulling back on down. Still pulling back. You got AMD still trying to hold a 465, still trying to fight with that area. Apple's still looking good as far as the bull flag on that one. So I'm trying to see if they're gonna buy. Look like they're trying to do it though. Now they look like they're trying to buy back up on top of them. I'm trying to see if they're gonna buy back and right before that counter closes. I want to see because they got about a minute left. We're gonna get back on top of that price point. Look like they're trying to. Can we get on top of that right before this counter closes out? Keep it on watch, guys. Keep it on watch. I want to see. Here we go. Can we close on top right before that counter closes? Watch that level, guys. 47.27. We want to stay on top of that. Right before, we got about almost 30 seconds. They're trying to do it. They're trying to close on top of it. They're trying. We're right around 47.26, 47.27. All right, come on. 26. There we go. Okay. 29. Got 20 seconds. Okay. There we go. All right, let's see. All right, there we go. Bam. 5 seconds. 5 seconds and counting. Ooh. Oh, damn. Let's see. What the hell? Hold on. Bruh, this is crazy. They should be popping. They should be going up. What the hell? Let's see. Let's see if this is a fake out. Let's see if this is a fake out. Let's see if it's a fake out. Well, let's see if it's a fake out. Let's see if it's a fake out. A fake out pullback. Let's see if they're going to buy back up. Let's see if it's a fake out. Let's see if it's a fake out. Because they did close on top. They did close back on top. Let me see if this is not a fake out. If this is not a fake out. Could be a fake out pullback. Fake out pullback. Well, look like it's going to pull back and go right back up. Let's see. Yeah, that was, boy. Jeez Louise. I mean, it closed right on top of it. That's the crazy part. All right, pulling back still. What the hell? All right. Let me see if it's not going to be, let's see if they're going to buy back up again to go for a stronger push. They still pulling. Damn, that was crazy. That was a random pull. What time is it? Oh, it is 10 o'clock. Right, that's why. That 10 o'clock pullback. Got a 10 o'clock pull. But let me see if they're going to try to buy back up, though. Let me see if they're going to try to find a way to buy back up. Because you got discounted to close successfully on top. That's the crazy part. Then that 10 o'clock volume came in. 10 o'clock volume came in and yanked it. But let's see if we can still find our way back up, though. Let me see. Yeah, that was 10 o'clock volume that just came in. That's why. Did we have any data that came out of today? Let me see. Any data that came out of 10 o'clock. Let me see. I'm trying to go to my thing, guys. Hold on. Let me go. Where's my wait, where's my chart at? Oh, I see it. It's way over here. What was today? Oh, consumer sentiments came out today. That's why. Consumer sentiments. I'm gonna have to see what was the results on that real quick. Let me see what the results, to see if that's not gonna change anything as far as the market. Let me go to consumer sentiments real quick. I just want to see what came out on it. What was the results to it today? Cause that's what it was. Consumer sentiments came out. That's where that pullback came from. All right, let me see. How did we look? How did we perform today? Jeez Louise. And I was just about to gear up too, boys. Good thing I waited for. All right, the forecast. I just saw it. So consumer sentiments today. Oh, shut up. All right. Let me see. Forecast was 48.2. Actual, so we came underneath expectations at 44.8. So it came out negative. So that's what caused that to pull back. So came out negative. As far as consumer sentiments came out. Let me see if I see anything on CNBC. CNBC. Trump defends DOJ fund after Senate Republicans push back. There's nothing else I see. But yeah, as far as consumer sentiments came out, it fell underneath expectations. That's what caused the pullback, guys. So it fell underneath expectations. Forecast was a 48.2, came out to a 44.8. So that's what caused it. 10 o'clock data came out. 10 o'clock data caused that pullback. Caused that pullback to occur. So we got 1 minute left. 1 minute. So it was a good thing. Good thing I kind of waited on that. Because I was just about to, I was just about to do it. I was just about to. Until I seen that, I saw that yank. I was like, wait a minute. Something had to cause it. It was consumer sentiments. Data came out. So it came out negative expectations. Underneath expectations. So that's what caused the pull. But that's not to say that the market's about to fall off. So I still got faith in the loans. That was just some data that caused it. So that was just data. But I'm going to still see if we're going to hold regardless. I'm going to see what's going to happen from here. But yeah, that's what caused the pullback, ladies. That data, consumer sentiments. But I still want to see if we're gonna still set up after this data. to see what the overall market thinks, you know, after this. Because, I mean, you still got the market is still looking good, and it's still bullish. I mean, you still got AMD with the 3.3%, still holding, what, 465. Now Tesla's came in. Apple still got a nice bull flag pattern. So you got Tesla, Apple, AMD still holding up respectfully. Let me go to Tesla real quick. Let me see. Tesla's looking good. 422.50. So 422.50 got a little uptrend on Tesla, so that's still looking good. Got an uptrend on that bad boy. So holding up pretty decent. So right now, I mean, that pullback, that's just probably the sellers right now. Might be having some selling volume, but once they get out the way, then I think we may proceed back to the upside. So we're going to keep it on watch, though. Because like I said, Tesla's still holding, Apple's still holding. These are your two main ones that's still looking good. Look at that. Tesla's still pushing. So I still think that the buy is going to move in due time. Because that was just 10 o'clock data and 10 o'clock volume that just came out. So I still think that that the market is still bullish overall. I still think the market is still bullish overall. I'm going to be 110% honest with you guys. I still think the market is still bullish. So after this plays out, after this little sell-off, so right now, also, let's count our candles, Queen. We're going to count 3 red candles down. We're going to see where we go from here. 3 red candles down towards where? Your demand zone. So, let's see. Yeah, still a bullish trend. Yeah, I agree 110%. It's still bullish. It's still bullish. Still a bullish. Yeah, I still think it's bullish still. It's just that data came out. That's what caused that pullback. That data came out. It was negative. But the overall market is still bullish. So let's just see where we go from here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. Let's see. Right into the demand zone, right where that trend line is at, and also right where that 200-day moving average is at. So that's right here where your buyers should be sitting and waiting. Right in this little area. Because you got to remember, yesterday that area held up as resistance. Now it can hold up as support. Because if we go back a little bit, remember yesterday, we ran up as high as that, what it was, 744.87. Then we pulled all the way back down. The secondary level was right around that previous counter close, which was 743.68. Then you dumped on off. But then, post-market, you wind up getting back above those levels, going into pre-market, where you held right here, 743.68, and then bounced all the way up towards 748 level. So watch these bottoms, because you can see right here in this little zone, right where those buyers are sitting at. So count your candles down. That's candle number 2. So as candle number 3 approaches, let's see. Because if that stops like right here, that means that those buyers are trying to protect this level. We do have a little bit of buying pressure still coming in, but as long as that floor holds, that's still a good sign. That floor holds good. That's still good. That's still good. Nothing to worry about. So let's just see what we get. Let's see what we get. Let those sellers, let that 10 o'clock volume, the sellers, let them have fun with that. Then after that is out of the way, we'll see if those buyers gonna step back in and reverse. So don't count it short yet. Don't count it out yet. What contracts would you look for an entry? The ones I'm looking at right now, Nadia, is 749, 750. So I'm trying to stay somewhere in this bracket, like up here. So 749, 750, somewhere up here. Like keeping a tight, like staying close to, almost close to in the money. Cause based off of the contracts today, I think it's like around 46, 45. So I went a little bit outside of the money, just a little bit, like around 49.50, somewhere in that bracket. Cause I mean, I could get a 46 contract, but I'll have to use half of my funds. That's the thing about it, because those contracts around the 46 is like $1.75, 74. So I know if I was to get 2 contracts, I have to double that. But if I stay close around it, like around 90 cents, 60 cents, I can still get 2 contracts. So I want to stay around where I can get 2 contracts in a sense. So that's the goal for me. I want to get right where I can get 2 contracts in. So right now, lower shadow. Lower shadow, lower shadow. Where are these bottoms at exactly? I'm trying to match this perfectly. Let me see. What was that? Why did I put that level though? I level that for a reason. Why did I have that price point? I was trying to figure out why I had that price point. Like, where did that come from? That 46.30. Oh, that was these bottoms right here. Okay, that's what that was. That was these bottoms. That's why I had that price. I mean, that's why. Okay. Now it makes sense. Okay. I was wondering why I had 46.31. I'm like, why the hell I have that? I was just trying to figure out why I had that price point. Now it makes sense. Okay. So let's figure this out, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. Could we be setting up for a bear flag right now? Possibly. Could be setting up for a bear flag. Possibly. Apple, guys, is above the 308.95, so it did hit my mark right up towards 309. So bull flag pattern did commence on Apple. Shout out to my longs on the Apple side. Shout out to my longs. I think we're gonna get one more pullback down this way on SPY. I think we're gonna get like one more pullback before we reverse. I think we're gonna get like one more yank down this way. I'm expecting that. I'm expecting like one more pull. But if they get back above, then I mean I have to play the upside, of course. But we got to keep in mind we're underneath that 46.31. Jay, why 46.31? Well, because that was the area that held up a strong support at one point. Let me go to it real quick. Oh shoot. Where's that? 46.31. Where you at? God dog it. I remember seeing it. Oh, right here. Came down to 46.31, had that strong bounce back on up. But you got to keep in mind now, guys, we underneath it, which could be strong resistance. So, if we fall underneath that or get a major pullback, we could fall back down towards the 44s, 43s, back down this way real quick. So that's what I'm thinking that could possibly happen. If we don't get back above that 46.31, then we could pull back down this way. Right back down to this area, which would not be a bad thing. Because all you're doing, we're possibly looking for a bounce right off this high of day this way for a pullback bounce. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled to see where we go. And we're gonna get a pullback down this way real quick, right into this demand zone where these buys gonna be sitting at, where they're gonna be trapping these shorts. So I'm expecting another pullback this way. I'm expecting another pullback down this way, like one more pullback, because that may be a 10 o'clock sell-off. You know, we may have some 10 o'clock selling off. So I'm expecting a little bit more and then once those sellers are out of the way for those buyers to step back in. So what I would like to see is all red candles. All red, and then it's possible to see a red to green later on. So got Tesla back up. So see what I mean? See, the market is holding up pretty decent. So I'm expecting like another pullback if we can, because I wouldn't mind some deep areas. But if they hold this, if they get back on top of here, I'm gonna have to play it, play somewhere around this area. But I'm gonna see. But I do would like another pullback, like one more leg down this way towards that trend line, hold, and then reverse back up. That's what I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind seeing that. So what I would like to see, and you already know the market don't care about my feelings, whatever. I would like to see a pullback this way, like right in this area. And even if they go a little bit below, I want to see all these buyers buy back up from here all the way back up toward that 44, which you'll have a lower shadow here. And the body of the candle starts here and then starts to move its way back that way. Something like that. Where this would be like a trap underneath for those shorts, where they'll get trapped and then push right back up above that 744 or 745 level and then reverse. Do like a nice red to green move, something like that to that nature. That's what I would like to see. So, bam, told you. Oh, man, come on, baby. That's why I said I have a feeling we're going to pull back one more time this way. That's why I said I have a feeling we're going to pull back one more time, and it's going according to plan. So, one more pullback, what I'm expecting. Another pullback down this way, right into that demand zone. Have those shorts come right into that trap. Have those shorts going right into that trap, baby. So, let's see if everything going to go according to plan. We're going to see. Queen, I said it. Oh, see, I told you. I feel like that 46.31, I feel like because we underneath it, that we're going to get like one more pullback this way. And sure enough, booyah. Because, again, especially, I feel like right now you having some 10 o'clock selling off. So let the sellers have fun with right now. Let them do away. Let them get the little pullback out of the way. Let them have fun with it. Let them pull down too. Put it like this. Let them set it up for you. So allow the market to come to you instead of you going to the market. So let them pull to you. Let them come to you, and then just start to watch these levels as we pull back down this way. So let's count our candles, Nadia. So let's see. Up 3 red candles. So let's see. So 1, 2. We're gonna start a new one underneath. So we're gonna start 1 candle, and let's see if this one gonna be a secondary red candle. Pull them back down. So if everything goes according to plan, if we can get one more, like another pullback this way, that second one should stop like at least right. I know they're trying to bounce back up, but let's say if it's not a bull trap. Let's say if it's not a bull trap. Because you gotta keep in mind, you're underneath all the indicators, you're underneath the VWAP. So let's see if this is not a bull trap. As they pushing back up, they're gonna trap buyers, some more newbie buyers, and then yank them again. So let's just see. Let's see what's about to happen. Let's see if this is not a bull trap. If it's not a bull trap. As it pushes back up, let's see. Because they all bouncing off the 50 SMA, but let's just see overall if this is not another trap setting up. Because it's looked like a big bear flag setting up right here. Like a huge bear flag. Let me look at it on a 15-minute time frame. Let me see if I don't see an engulfing red candle on that one, on the 15. Let me see. 15 minutes. Because I definitely see a bear flag pattern right here setting up on that. 15 minutes, where you at? Yep! Alright, Aussie, Jenna. Go to your 15-minute time frame, tell me I'm lying. Go to your 15-minute time frame, tell me I'm lying. If I didn't see that off that 5-minute time frame, go to your 15-minute time frame and tell me if you don't see a bear flag. Tell me I'm lying. Call me a liar. Go to your 15-minute time frame, call me a liar right now. Go to your 15-minute, call me a liar. Tell me if you don't see a bull flag. I mean a bear flag pattern. All I did was look at it at my 5-minute time frame and I can see that. But go to your 15-minute to confirm that. Tell me I'm lying. Go to your 15 right now. 15-minute time frame. Tell me if you don't see an engulfing red candle followed by a small green candle. Tell me if you don't see a bear flag right in your face. Tell me I'm lying. If y'all, I'll bring it up. What did I call out on the 5-minute time frame? I said it looked like a potential bear flag, right? Because I counted my candles in my head. Now I went to a 15-minute time frame to confirm it. What do we have? Bear flag. I told you. I can see that from a mile away. I can see it from a mile away. I don't even need to go to my 15-minute time frame to see that. I can just merge it in my head. I can merge it literally in my head on what it's doing. So 5, 10, 15, giving you what? 15-minute pullback. Thus giving you what? An engulfing red candle. Followed by what? A small green candle. What pattern is that? Bear flag. And look at look at Apple still going. Apple still setting up. Tesla still looking good. So that's why I'm expecting one more pullback this way. One more pullback right into the zone. One more little pullback. I want to see it. We're going to enter right into that spot. And then once we hit that spot, I'm going to confirm to make sure those buys hold and then reverse. That's the game plan. As I was telling you guys, I was waiting on the pullback this way. Bow, as we doing. I told you. Once you start to understand how to read this crap, it get easier and easier. To read it. To read it, of course. I told y'all. I knew it. I saw that from a mile away what it was doing. How to bring this damn thing down? No, I was trying to bring my I was looking at my chat box. I was trying to close my damn delay emoji crap because it's taking up too much space on my how you take this emoji crap off of there? I don't want it on there. Oh, there we go. Just to make sure that my chat don't delay. Oh, what you said, Aussie? You don't count that hammer candle as a second candle? Well, the reason why I said I was gonna start because we're underneath that price point of 746.31. because I want to see it go like the rotation game. So I want to see it rotate from these bottoms, this top area, down this way. So that means you're going to have to count your candles pointing down that way. So that means you're going to have to follow through with consecutive red candles. So you're going to need 1, 2, because that second one needs to bring you down that way. That'll be 2. And then once number 3, so right here, I know it kind of held a little bit, but let's see. We should be getting one more pullback this way. See, one more candle down that way, because that candle, it didn't fall all the way down. So let's see if this third one will try to go for it. Like one more pullback down that way. Let's see. Come on, sellers. Get out of the way. Go ahead and have your little fun. And then move your little happy self out of the way after this. And then you got an upper shadow. So that's why I'm expecting one more pull. One more pull. And look at Tesla. Jeez Louise. Tesla on the run. What about AMD? AMD running too? What AMD doing? Nah, nope. AMD ain't doing nothing. But it's the top gainer. That's crazy. It should be Apple and Tesla if that's the case. It's the main ones holding. Make sure I went to the right chart. Yeah, it was. I'll make sure I went to the right chart, not Amazon. All right, that was AMD. And see, one more down, Queen. One more. Should get one more down. Another one this way. Should get one more candle right towards that trend line and right towards this area here. Because you got to keep in mind, you got a bear flag pattern. So you're going for that next leg, setting up. As we talked about, there you go. Should be all red candles going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total. About 5. So yeah, about 5 red candles down, Nadia. Aussie. About 5 red candles down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, about 5 candles down. So she's still sitting in. So keep on watching, Nadia. Look. Aussie, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just watch this third one. I watch this number 5 candle to see how it's gonna close. Either we're gonna close right on top of this area, or we're gonna close like crack through it. So we got about 3 minutes. So let's just see what's about to happen with this candle right here. That's candle number 5. Candle number 5 to see if we're gonna stop exactly right here, or we're gonna crack through. So watch real closely. So that means that we stop. That means that the buyers are preventing those sellers from taking this area out, because you can't crack it. See that? See, you see a little bit of buying pressure coming in. They're trying to prevent them from breaking it, from cracking. I'm sorry, from cracking. See? So that means after this one closes out, then right here should start the. Then we can ride fat. Yeah, so what we're anticipating from this point, Aussie, now is a possible red to green. Right here should be commencing like the traps, like right in this area. So after this one closes out, that next one may get a little bit of a little dip in, but then we want to see it go right back up. See, watch this candle. Watch how it's closed. Let's see. Watch this area. Watch. As we about to enter into this demand zone. We got about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Watch to see if it's going to stay on top. It all depends on how this one's going to close out, how it's going to affect that next one. See, if this one can close and stay on top, that means the area's still going to hold as some type of support, because they're having a hard time trying to crack through it. So that means that area's holding up like a strong cement floor. So you see how it keeps bouncing on top of it? We can't crack it yet. So that's kind of a clear sign that buyers are holding it. So let's just see. Keep it on watch to see where we go. I know right now it's trying to break through it. Let's see. As we are going through it, let's see if buyers gonna try to take advantage of it and try to push it back up. Because nothing's wrong with what it's doing right here. This is perfect. Because that means that those sellers are going right into a demand zone, and by they possibly get bought right the hell back up. So I might do something a little crazy. So don't follow me though. Don't follow me. I might do something a little crazy. I might do it. Don't follow me. I'm doing it. Alright, that's 1. I just got one. I just got one. Just went in with 1. 20 seconds. Going back up. Going back up. Going back up. Going back up. All right, let's see. It's gonna be a little tricky. So, like I said, all right, let's see. Gonna get another possible Charlie. They're gonna try to push again. Come on, let's see what we get. I ain't jumped out yet. I'm still watching. I'll get another one. I'll catch another one too. Right here. Let's see what we get. Right into this little trap. Watching it very cautiously. Very, very cautiously. 1, 2. Give me 45, baby. Can y'all give me 45? I love y'all. I love y'all for the day. Y'all give it to me. Yes, I have in it very slowly. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Give me 45 though. I want to move it up. I want to move my stop loss to 45. Not stop loss, but my profit gain to 45 at least. Come on. Come on. Give me 45. Give me 45 bias. Give me 45. Don't take it. Don't take it. Damn it. It took my leg. It grabbed it. God dog it. I'm up at, God dang it. It grabbed it. I was trying to move it up. Ah, damn it. Ah, shoot. Damn it. I got it in. I mean, I'm up, where I'm up now. Where I'm up now on my profits. I snuck in on that one. I told y'all what I was doing. I called it on what I was doing. I told y'all what I was going to do. Where I'm at now. I snuck in on that scalp. I got y'all. I got your ass. I got your ass on that scalp. Got him. I got him. Where I'm at. 258. I'm at 258 on my $40 away from 300. God dang it. I got that first scalp though. I snuck in on it. I snuck in. I told y'all what I was gonna do. I literally told y'all what I was gonna do. Now I got out. I took a quick scalp. I'm gonna do it again because I wanna make sure that we getting that full reversal. But I was gonna take advantage of that scalp though. Best believe I was gonna take advantage of that scalp because we went right into that demand zone and I caught it. And I'm gonna show y'all. And I'll take a screenshot to show y'all I'm not lying. So look at my profits. 258. I'll take the next one. I'll show y'all my proof. I ain't lying. Tell me I'm lying. Booyah. I took advantage because I didn't know. I was making sure, but I was gonna take advantage of that scalp though. So I'm in the 250s, baby. 250, 258. Let's go. Let's go. So I need to get it to 260 though, because I want to be $40 to 300. I'm good. So right now I'm on my scalp right now. I'm on my scalp zone. On my scalp zone. So I caught that first green candle. I didn't know if it was gonna break out or not right then and there. That's why I just went for a scalp and wanna. Cause I know it's the reason why I went for a scalp, Aussie, was because I seen us hitting that 50-day moving average. So I bought in right here. I got in here. I got in right here. Cause I was waiting to see it was gonna go if those shorts were gonna get trapped, and I got in. I took advantage of it. So I count my candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles down, right into a demand zone. So I took advantage of this one right here. After I counted my candles, 5 candles, I got in right in the wick of that area, and it played up to that 50 moving average, and I caught my scalp right there. Oh, that was perfect. I should have held it though. I ain't gonna lie, I should have held it. I should have held it though. I should have held it. But it's all good though. I should have held it. I caught that first scalp though. I got that first sexy ass scalp though. I caught that first one. So it's about like damn near $10 up, and I'll show y'all the proof on my contract, what I just did. I'll show y'all what I did. I could have held it, but I didn't know if it was gonna break through exactly, but we did. So I was like, shit. Cause I mean today Friday, you know, I got a scalp. So I'm gonna show y'all. See, I'm going to show y'all my proof. See, there's my ladder. I got in at 37 cents. You can see right here with the little green arrow at where I bought. And wait a minute, I think it should be able to show it on here. Let me see. What if it's going to show it on here? Show my trades? That's orders. Let me see. Will it show it? I don't see it though. It's gonna show it. Nah, I don't see it. But y'all can see right here. 37 cents. That's when I caught those bottoms. Right here. And then I got out right at 37. So about $10 on it. I mean, better than nothing. Just saying, I'm gonna be scalping. I told you I'm gonna be scalping like crazy. I'm gonna be scalping like an Indian in this piece. I'm gonna be scalping like an Indian. Until I get my way up to that 300, I'll scalp like crazy. I told you I was gonna catch those bottoms though. I told you I was gonna catch that demand zone. Told you exactly what I was gonna do. I told y'all. I'm in 3 contracts, Aussie. You still looking good though. You still looking good. I mean, definitely setting up for that possible reversal back up. Look for that possible push back up towards that 746.31. That's gonna be first target, possibly up towards the upside, like towards that area on up. So that'll be area number 1. Go ahead and I'm gonna mark that off for y'all if y'all still in it. So we want to go for that second green candle up that way. So from that 746.31 up to what, 736.50. So somewhere in that little bracket. So let's just see. So that's why I caught the first one, just to see it, because I didn't know it was gonna start catching heat right then and there. I didn't know it was gonna get the explosion right back up, but I knew it was gonna get like some type of red to green transition right here. That's why I caught it. That's why I went ahead and caught it. But y'all still looking good, because now y'all got 2 green candles up right now so far. Also, if you're still in, oh, you out? Oh, shoot. Cause I'm gonna count the candles for you. Cause I'm gonna say, play out those. We could be pushing back up towards that 46.31. I could have stayed in it too. I could have had another position, but I just went for the scalp because I knew that it was Friday. That's why I just went for a scalp. But I did catch these bottoms, and I showed y'all my proof that what I did, and I called it out and broke it down to what I was doing. I told y'all that I was gonna get in right here. And y'all, as y'all can see, I had it right here, so I'm not lying about nothing. I showed y'all my P&L. I showed y'all my proof. Hey, I went for my first trade. First trade. That's not the only trades. First, letting you know, first trade. But I still did it. Y'all gotta give me props. I'm trading right in front of y'all. I broke it down on what I was doing. I told y'all I was waiting for that sell-off. And Aussie, you seen on okay. You remember those those vault videos I be sending you on Patreon? And remember how they talk about those candles? It worked, didn't it? Remember those in the vault videos, the rumors when they be talking about those candles? It played off correctly, right? It didn't it not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Right into a demand zone, right? And that's where I bought in at. Right here, red to green, bam. Could have held it? Yeah, but I went for a scalp. Cause Fridays, I can still get in, of course. And I'm gonna do another trade. But if you're still in it, look for that possible push up towards that 46.50. I told Queen, it worked, didn't it though? That's crazy, huh? And just to a T like they explained it. One is either 3 candles or 5 candles. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what I counted. Right here, and then waited towards we got, and you can see, guys, what did I do? Color code this area. Why? For a demand zone, right? And I told you guys that and another thing, Aussie, didn't I not tell them that to look forward towards that high day, they can look for a possible bounce potential? Didn't I not say that right here? I said, guys, as we pull back from that 746.31 on down, I said, look for this possible high area that we could possibly bounce off of. What did I get? I took that area for support and played it right back up. Bam. Easy. Easy money, baby. Easy money. Know how to read the room. Read that, baby. Read that, baby. Read it. Read the room on them, man. Understand your price points. I took a risk. I did it anyway, especially because of Nadia. Nadia used to jump on me because I had to learn from Nadia, because Nadia used to be like, you calling all these trades out. of these plays, you ain't even trading it. So I'm like, you know what? She right. I'm going to trade it. So thank you, Nadia, for giving me that push I needed, Queen. Mwah. Thank you. Because I sure did it. All right, candle number 2, guys. Green candle number 2. This one should be trying to push its way towards that 746.31 to 746.50. Right around those 2 key areas. So I'm going to put 2 levels. Because number 3, it should be that pushing candle. That should try to get you to that area. Close to it. Somewhere to it. Now, let me see. 7. That's crazy. Now you see why I seen y'all videos. Now y'all see why I say, guys, subscribe, join the Patreon, because y'all get valuable information, man. And she's and Aussie is a living proof of that. She just said it. Look what she said. She said, yes, I must rewatch them. Awesome videos. I told y'all, man. I give y'all the best content on what y'all pay for. So anything to put, to help y'all out. And I mean, I even benefit because I study and learn. So watch as we got 3 candles up. Watch this little area here. Got to keep in mind, you're still underneath 46.31. So the area may hold up as resistance until we break above it. So 1, 2, 3 candles up. Watch as we starting to get a little weak as we getting closer towards it, where sellers are trying to prevent those buys from breaking out. So right here, be careful. So that's why I bought down here, back up. Ha. So I waited for those guys. I told you, after those sellers played out for 10 o'clock, let them get out of the way, right to an area I needed. And also, okay, Aussie, Nadia, Miss Bernice, even Jackie. What was another reason on why I bought in that area? What was another reason? What was another reason why I bought right there? What else do we have? Why did I buy there too? At this dip, at this pull, right here, why did I jump in right here? What else do you see right in front of y'all too? It's a bounce. It's a something bounce. But what is it? Why did I get in it? All right, guys, here go for the longs. We about to hit that target. We about to possibly hit that 46.31. That's my queen there, boy. She killing these answers. Trend line bounce. Trend line bounce. Exactly. I played the trend line bounce, red to green. And shout out to my longs. You hit your 46.31. We could push up as high as 46.50. Yep, I played the trend line bounce. I told y'all. I played the trend line bounce, my purple line. I told y'all we was on an uptrend. I told y'all this too as well. Didn't I not? I said right here, you got these bottoms, trend line bounce. Then you had the secondary level pre-market, trend line bounce. And then we came down to it in intraday, trend line bounce. I played the trend. That was another reason. I had a lot of signals that told me to buy right there. A lot of signals, and I did it. I should have held it, though, because I would have been up even higher, but it possibly be closer to 300 by now. But, I mean, like I said, today was Friday, but I know I got to, should have held it. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. It's all good. I'll set up for the next one. God dang it. Where's my chart at? I done moved it around too much. Oh, there we go. There we go. Booyah. And as I told you guys, to watch these tops, maybe resistance right here. So you had good room for a scalp from these bottoms that I caught right up here. So that was perfect. So now I got my account up to 258. Trying to go to 260 plus. I'm trying to get to 300, man. I'm going for another trade. I'm gonna do another one. That was just my first scalping one. That was my first scalping trade because I told you I was still gonna stay long until further notice. I'm still long buys. I don't care. I'm still long buys because I still think that bad boy has some room to still ramp up. So now, question is, if we do get a pullback down again and come back this way, could we create a double bottom? If we get a pullback from that 46.31 back down, could we create a double bottom and play it again back up? But I told y'all what's going to happen right here. I told y'all to catch that one. I don't know who was with me on it. I caught it. I'm up $20, getting the confidence back. Aussie, my queen. Mwah! Love you, queen. That's what I'm talking about. Did you play the same area I played? Right here? Did you play it? See, I didn't get in. I'm gonna tell you what I did. I'm gonna tell you the sneak thing. I want to give out my secret so bad. I'm not giving that out. All I'm gonna just say, cause that's too. I already give enough free stuff. Okay, I'm gonna tell you where I got in at based off of this. I didn't get in right at the green line when it got back above at 744.87. I got in on the wick up to 744.87, and I'm not. I mean, there's a reason to why I do that, but that's my secret. I can't tell y'all that. Gotta pay for that one. Gotta pay for that one. Nope. If y'all want to get all the deep information, you're gonna have to sign up, buddies. I give out enough free information already as it is to put money to a lot of guys' pockets, a lot of y'all pockets. Aussie, Nadia, y'all already know. Hit me up. We'll talk about it. Yeah. These ladies, like I said, man, they been my day ones, man. They've been having my back. Aussie was my first one-on-one when I didn't think nobody was gonna take me serious to even do a one-on-one with. I thought people was gonna take me as a joke, but her and her hubby Tango, they took the chance. They signed up. Guys, INTC, they took the opportunity to be my first one-on-one crew to give me some type of confidence that somebody believed in me. And ever since that, forever they dead. Nadia, another queen of mine, who also donates, and which I don't realize, when she gives out those super chats, those super thanks, it adds to my payout threshold on my YouTube. So instead of me waiting to get paid throughout, for the revenue, she helps pushes it faster. So these ladies play a major role in my life, man, in so many ways. So that's why I'm forever and they dead. So that's why, just being honest. That's why I keep going and I keep elevating. Because when I first started my streaming, they gave me confidence that somebody believed in me. So, shout out to them. And then now, got some, the other queens came in. Jenna, Teller, Sid, Queen. So, my other ladies came in, and shout out to them for giving me love as well. So. Oh, man, I'm talking about the ladies, man. Talking about Mel. Yeah, you was my day one as far as my Twitch, my day one. So, yes, my Twitch, on my Twitch side. You're right. No. I was talking about, yeah. So, I was talking about as far as the, like when I first started, I'm talking about as far as the, like I said, one-on-ones where you start to charge for things. They believed enough in me to pay for my service, and that showed that somebody believed in me. And that's all I needed to give me that confidence, and I just kept going from there. Damn, still going. I told y'all guys we may push up to 746.50. Damn, so we sure gonna push up. Damn, I should have held it. I should have held. Well, no, I had a good entry though. A good exit, so it's not bad. I could have held it for a little bit more. I should have held it just a little bit more. Shoot, I had the best entry too. I should have held it. I should have held it to the VWAP. That's my fault. I should have held it. But nah, man, shout out to the whole entire team, man. But y'all gotta realize, it just took a certain amount of people to help me get to where I'm at right now. Because people believed in me. So shout out to the team, W. Shout out to my shout out to my mods. Oh, and I'm also tell you another thing. I'm also telling you another thing. What Austin them did. The reason why I'm forever in Austin them dead as well, they was the ones that helped push me to 1,000 subs so I can get partnered with YouTube, where I can start getting monetized. Because they started to promote me, they started to push me out, because at one point I was underneath 1,000 subs. I was only at like 800 or something like that, or 900 or somewhere like that. It was because of them. They promoted, they pushed, and they helped me get over that 1,000 sub mark to help me start to monetize my videos. So they play a major role in my life. So not only were they my first one-on-one, they also was the ones that helped push me get over 1,000 subs to start getting monetized for my videos. So that's why I'm forever in their debt, because of the things they've done for me to help me elevate to where I am right now. And also, Nadia, like I said, she donates with the as far as the super chat and super thanks that helps me with my payout. So y'all gotta understand, and I get, and like I said, and like Meth and all of y'all, no, y'all are my supporters as well. But when it comes down to like the finances of it, that helps benefit my life, and not only my life but my children's life, that means, I mean, that plays a major role, you know, because it wasn't for those two ladies, you know, predominantly, I wouldn't be where I'm at, you know, as far as my payouts, Nadia, as far as my monetization, Aussie, as far as my one-on-ones, Aussie, because they believed in it, and Nadia joined it too, so shout out to Nadia. Nadia did join my one-on-one, but these were the main ladies that stuck with me and rolled with me when nobody else was believing in me at one point. You know, when I couldn't get people to sign up for nothing, but they want free content from me. I said, man, enough was enough. I'm looking stupid being too nice, and people taking advantage, they taking advantage of my kindness, taking my kindness for weakness. That's why, and I'll just be honest, that's why I'm battling on Discord, because I'm not about to be putting free information all out. You know, the same amount of information I'm putting on Discord, that's the same amount of information I'm putting out on the Patreon that somebody's paying for. I'm not going to rob these people. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not at all. Because that's unfair to them. So I had to get everything. I had to stop being so damn nice. I didn't realize I was hurting myself being too nice. I was doing too much. I'm helping people during the times I need to be trading. I stopped trading. You ride my heart. Oh, man, come on, man. I mean, like I said, my day one, my go-to. So, I mean, you always know and you've been rocking with me on Twitch. So, that's for sure. I mean, you definitely rocking with me. Oh, Mel, you too. Speaking of that, I know I'm going to have to get with you. Because I did have a group, I did have a Google meeting this morning with a few traders to discuss a few things. I'm going to have to get with you too. Because, I mean, you have played a major part too, because you were one of my main supporters on my Twitch who stayed with me on Twitch. So thank you for that. So I'm going to definitely get with you too to discuss some things, as we soon are going to open up the LX Traders membership on the JTraedz.com website. Get with me. So yeah, and speaking of that, Nadia and Aussie, I know because you say I like to help out. Yeah, and some other things we're gonna talk about as well too, Queen. Some other things we're gonna talk about as well too. So, but we're gonna finish off that conversation we had this morning. We're gonna finish it off. But Mel, like I said, I'm gonna need you to join us too. If you do have a camera, whatever, for the Google Meet, whenever we do have another one to discuss, we're gonna have a little, talking point. So, yeah. So what I'm thinking now, Aussie, and we don't get this breakout, like we get another pullback down to see if we can create like a double bottom. If we don't get this breakout back above that 46.31. Now, if we get back above that 46.31, I might play that area back that way. That's why I want to see what's about to happen. If they're gonna get back above it, or we're gonna gap down. So it looks like they're trying to hold it. So if they hold it and get back above it, I might play from here back up that way. So I want to see what's about to happen. I don't want to chase right here until we get that full confirmation, because I see buyers are trying to buy their way back up on top, but we'll see on how we're gonna close out. But for those who didn't, for those who don't know what I'm talking about, guys, this is what we're going to be presenting soon on the website in due time. Let me go to the little promo for those who didn't see it. So we're going to be moving majority of the stuff from, we are back on top. We're going to be moving the stuff from Patreon pretty much over to the JTraedz website. So all the information and plus more. And plus, we're going to be doing a cash prize giveaway and everything. So this is going to be the area, guys, like I said, you'll come to. If you're not a member, where you can join, where you can pick the different membership package. And if you're already a member, where to log in at. And this is the area right here that you'll see on the website. It's not clickable yet, but this is kind of giving you an idea what's coming. So this is the LX Traders membership area, guys, where we're gonna have exclusive content for paid members and so forth. It's gonna be like a Patreon, but inside the walls of JTraedz.com, and it's gonna be I'm gonna actually have a lot more. So just keep y'all guys up to date on it, on what's to come. So get prepared for it. So it's coming. So we're working our butts off trying to code and get everything configured. So we're trying our hardest, guys. We're trying our hardest to try to get everything set up. Now, the only thing we updated so far on the JTraedz website, I know I'm still watching the market. This is what we updated so far. So far on the website. The only thing we did was color code the tabs now. Let me go to it real quick. Make sure y'all can see it all the way. Yeah, so all we did now was color code the tabs to make it stand out more. You can click on the TRAEDathon thing here, and it'll take you to the TRAEDathon page, right into it. Well, you'll get, I gotta update this now. When you get the current balance and everything else, the updates from the TRAEDathon, and like I said, you can click on this to go to the different themes. Come on now, why is it not showing? I'm trying to get this thing to show. I don't know why it's not coming up right now. It's gonna pop. I'll get it to pop up. But yeah, then you have the exclusive part that we talked about. And as I mentioned, you got the community. You can either click on the community tab itself. It's gonna bring you to the area, where you don't have to go to Twitter, Facebook, and all of that. Where everything's gonna be all in one place. My Twitter side, my Facebook side, and we're gonna add Instagram to it as well. Then you come down here to the membership, where you can go to the Patreon membership or the YouTube membership. Then if you can click on this tab, it'll take you to the Traedz Angel. This is going to be predominantly, this is meant for the women. So this area is going to be for women only. So that means that, we'll give out different things or do certain things, like wristbands for breast cancer awareness, Mother's Day, International Women's Day, something dealing with women, where we're giving back to the ladies, to the moms, to the, aunts and everybody else, that's, in that sector. You go to the video side. You click on video. You got a video gallery. It'll show the latest video. Down here, you got the gallery from YouTube. You click on this. It'll play the video. Automatically starts by itself, where you can watch the video itself as well. You can also go to the tab here where you can go to the YouTube channel, Twitch channel, and then on the market, we kind of created a area that separates earnings and economics. So you can look at both of them instead of stacking them on top of each other. We put them side by side where you can see, what this week's earnings is and what this week's economics is on what to expect. And then for more content, you already know you're gonna have to join the LX Traders area to go into more deeper content. Other than that, then you click on my trades. From the latest trade down to the previous trade right here, which will show everything from the gains, losses, proceeds, how much I put in, yada yada yada, giving you the full breakdown, my entries, exits, and all of that and so forth. Yeah, I know yesterday was cheap because it messed me up because of that explosion. So yeah, I got a $2 bump. I ain't got no shame in it. Hey, it is what it is. But I wasn't afraid to show it. Whatever. But let me see. Other than that, I think that should be it for right now. Then you can click on one of these buttons. Yeah, go straight to my page, Patreon, Discord, and PayPal if you ever want to donate, whatever the case may be. So yeah. So we're still working on it, guys. We're still getting it together. It's coming along really well. So everything is good. Like I said, I'm doing this for you guys. So hopefully y'all enjoy it. Y'all enjoy the experience on it. Hopefully y'all get to enjoy it. Oh, I mean, I can show y'all. Let me see. Hold on. I have to go to my other one. Let me see. Let me go to my other one real quick. That's already logged in. To the. I think I showed some of y'all yesterday. Let me see. Already. So like I said, if you are, I had to use a different browser real quick. Let me see. Browser. I'm still watching it, guys. Still watching. All right. So like I say, you either click the join button, you can fill out like I said, the membership, everything's gonna be a different price. It ain't gonna be that. It's just a temporary thing right now. Click on login. Let me see. I think this one should. Oh yeah. So right here, you put in your username, put in your password. Once you log in, it should redirect you to the home page. Let's see. See if it's gonna do it. See, there you go. So it redirects you to the home page where you're gonna get updated news, and up here is gonna be a different market tab. So up here is gonna give you the S&P 500 throughout the whole entire week, the whole detail where you can write down your, the prices or even print it, and even right in this area, the blue chips. It'll give you the weekly movement of each stock in the blue chip range. From Monday through Friday, where you'll have long areas like this. Then you're gonna have lessons. We gotta install the lessons. Settings is where you go for your profile. So you go here for the profile, then right here. So you're gonna have subscriptions, you're gonna have payments, you're gonna have these different little tabs to the side. You're not gonna be able to change your username, so you only be able to change the username once. Put the username in one time, and that's during the login. The only other thing you can change is your email, first and last name, and so forth. Which I'm gonna change that out and just put the display name. And like I said, it's subscriptions and so forth. And then we're gonna have a little area for the giveaway where you can automatically sign up. So that mean members only. So that means once you go here, it's gonna be a little thing you can sign, put your name in, into a bucket. So that means once we start to do the cash giveaways, your name is gonna automatically be put into the wheel and so forth. And yeah, what you said, Queen? What will be login? What you mean? Well, once you finish and you're done, you log out. It should take you back to the login page, right here. So all you gotta do is put in your username, put in your password, and once you do that, it should automatically. And once you log in, it should automatically take you to the main page right here. Oops, sorry, we already logged in. Oh, my bad. Probably because I went to the hold up, home. My bad. And right here, there you go. But yeah, so we're still working on configuring everything. Guys. So we're still working on it. So give us some time to yeah. Because oh yeah, I'm still watching, guys. I'm still watching. How many we got left on this counter? I'm watching. I know I'm rushing real quick. Yeah, so when you first join, you're gonna I think it should give you the password thing anyway on what to put. Let me see. Go to team. Alright, let me see. Yeah, so when you first go here underneath join, come on. Yeah, you click join when you're first signing up, and you are able to put in, right here, name, username, email, password, and all that's going to be logged in. All of that's going to be locked in. So yeah, but we still trying to put it together. So give us some time, and like I said, it's going to be released soon to the public. So just give us some time to get that mapped out. Give us some time. Could I be going for another scalp? We got left on this counter 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We are back above, guys. That's 46.31, and we are back on top. Anticipation to retest these pre-market highs and intraday high areas. Because you remember, the main boss is way up here at 49. That's the main boss. The main boss right there. So I'm going to try to go for a scalp. I'm going to try to go for another one. We are above the VWAP. I'm going to try to do another one. What I got left? Alright, let me see if we get a pullback real quick off this one. I'm going to see if I can play off of this one. See where these bottoms is located. Alright, let's see. Got 1 minute left. We have 46.50. Oh, Jay. Oh, I had to text it. I'm not ignoring her. I was just busy. I was just kind of ripping and running. Same one. I think I was ignoring the text. It's been hella busy. Ah, pull him back down. It's gonna be, don't tell me this gonna be another pivot point. Don't tell me this gonna be a pivot point right here. We're gonna be all this back and forth stuff. Please don't tell me this gonna be a pivot area right here. Please don't tell me this the pivot area. Because I see a lot of back and forth around that price point. Don't tell me that's gonna be the pivot area. Because I started to, damn, look at Tesla, guys. Tesla's still trucking. Apple's still trucking. So the market's still bullish. God, this is going to be that pivot point for the day. It got to be. It got to be. It got to be the pivot point. That's what I'm trying to figure out. This gotta be a pivot point. Cause look how many times we keep returning back to that price point. Here, 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 here. That's the pivot point. So that means that if we utilize that for the pivot point to rotate up, that means that we're trying to go. Okay, I see what it's doing. Okay. So that is somewhat of like a little pivotal area then. Where Apple is going to a price point. Apple. What is the highs on that? What is the highs on Apple? Wait, where we at right now? 3 cent. Have we hit these highs before, correct? Hold up. Oh, that is some new highs. Look for 312. 312. Look for 312. Be possibly your next target up. 312. 312 would possibly be next. For what I'm looking at so far, look like 312 on there. Could be the next possible targeted area. Should be the next possible target, Nadia, on Apple. That should be the next one, if I'm not mistaken. It should be 312. So I already hit 310. Yeah, gotta be 312. Gotta be 312 next. Gotta be that next possible targeted area. So like 311.50 after 312. Something like that. Tesla, look for that 42.50. 32.50. Sorry, 32.50. Tesla. What time it is right now? 11 o'clock. Remember, guys, it's Friday. You already know half a day, man. I'm not staying on long on Fridays. Y'all know this because I do not like to gamble on Fridays. I like to reset myself for the next week, which next week is going to be a short week because it is a hot. Matter of fact, I'll do this. I'll stay on with you guys till 1. I'll stay on with you guys till 1. Till 1 o'clock to the second half of the market. But Fridays, I don't like to stay, because a lot of contracts are expiring, and it's just that I don't like to gamble on Fridays. Once I make my profits, I'm in and out that bad boy. I'm in and out, in and out, in and out. I'm just trying to see where we're going. Because like I said, we know where the top areas are where they're trying to go. I mean, once they break above these highs, we already know what that next level is going to be. I mean, what that high up there is going to be the, matter of fact, let me put new high of day, so at least y'all know what that number represents. So let me put new 52 week high and put that. Oh shoot, I'm putting the wrong thing in. I'm going to the wrong damn thing. I'm gonna go to price, not rectangle. Okay, so new 52 week high, and we're gonna put that to the right, and there y'all go. So at least y'all know what it represents and what it is. At least y'all know what it is. Basically what the buyers are trying to go to. They're trying to retest that high day. I hate holiday. Oh man, see, I swear I feel the same way. I hate missing trading days, because especially once your confidence level get up and you start to have so much fun. Man, I hate that, man. I hate missing days too. I hate missing days. So, what we could do Monday, if y'all want to, if y'all want to do like a boot camp on Monday, where we could kind of, prep ourselves up. Going into like Tuesday, Wednesday, and all of that, we can take Monday instead of sitting out not doing nothing. We can take Monday and kind of create like a boot camp and go over things like y'all can ask me certain questions, like if you have a certain bad habit that you need to go over that we can talk about, something like that, and understanding the charts and prepping you guys up for your trade on whatever you're looking at, so you can bring up a certain chart like, Jay, I want to trade this. How do I look at this, or how do I, we can do that. So boot camps, going over charts, and to help us out, to keep us on top of our game, because we know no days off. You know how we are, no days off. we know how we rock and roll, no days off. Yep, and there go that push, guys. There go that U-shaped pattern. Shoot. Damn, I didn't get my pullback. I didn't get the pullback all the way back down. It's all good. It kind of shorted me. 3 candles up. 1, 2, 3. Right up towards that pre-market high of day. So that may hold a range. If it don't go through that breakout all the way, it may try to range and then break out. But we are still building higher lows. Yep. I mean, look at this. Look at the setup. Look at this beautiful setup. Going from sellers to buyers. Look at that. Look at the candle transition. And both of them had like 1 candle apiece. Like this side had 1 green candle. This side had 1 red candle. So but it's a beautiful setup. I mean, it's very easy to read. Yeah, I mean, we can do that. See, Nadia, yeah, we can do like a little boot camp. Just kind of stay on top of it. I mean, like, we don't have to even be long. 30 minutes, an hour, whatever. Y'all can ask me any questions. We can go over, the E-Lead. We can go over the Breaking Bad method. I mean, anything to help us out. And then not just that, prepare ourselves going into, like I said, Tuesday and for the rest of the week and so forth, yeah. So, I mean, we can do all of that. That's fine. I'm fine with that. I'm cool with it. I'm cool. So, I'm $40 away from freaking 300. God dog it. $40 away. Wow, $40 away from 300. But y'all gotta give me props though. I came a long ways from having $100 to what? How far did I push that up to at one point? 120. Then what? 161. Now 100 and the day before, then I pushed it up to 247. And then recently, now I'm up at 258. So, hey, we making moves, baby. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm having fun with you guys, man. It's fun. I'm fun doing this challenge, man. It's fun. Y'all got my account growing, no losses. Beautiful, man. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I can't complain right now. It's beautiful, beautiful. So we're gonna get it rocking and rolling. My goal is to get to 500. So let me show y'all the little meter on why I'm amped on trying to get to 500. Where's my what is it at? Is it there right here, the little TRAEDathon meter? So this is why I'm so amped up and so animate about getting to 500. See, this is how the way it works for the first challenge. So I'm already at 100. Then I need to go to a 500. That's gonna mark, then that block gonna turn green. Then that to 1,000, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then all the way up to 50. Then we'll be done with challenge number 1. Then after challenge number 1, then we going into TRAEDathon 2. And we're gonna just keep going until we hit what? $1 million. And y'all think I'm playing. I'm not playing with that. We're going through every phase, and I'm doing this with you guys. So my goal right now is to go to 500 to 1,000. Get into the 1,000 range. That's gonna make things even better. So right now I'm slowly creeping my way towards 500. So I'm trying to go a little bit harder though. Like I said, I would have had it yesterday if that explosion wouldn't have left me. But behind. I would have really been up like damn near over $500 yesterday. Freaking like once that thing took off, I got no pullback. That's the only thing that sucked on that. I couldn't get no pullback. I called out the price point, but that thing hauled ass on me without me. Took off, literally took off without me. So I think that sucked. So I just need to make about 40 plus, about what, $42? About 42? That'll put me up to 300, and then all I gotta do is make 200, then I'm at that 500 mark, halfway from the thousands. So let's see how we setting up, guys. We still building. So let's see these tops right here, these pre-market highs and these intraday highs. Once we break above these two areas, the only next level up, guys, is that all-time high, that 52-week high. That's your next level. That's the boss. That's the boss level right there. That is the boss level. So right here, look for this area here first. We know that's the area we need to break. Pre-market area, then intraday area, and then from that, all-time highs. So let's see on how we're gonna be setting up from here now. We already called out the bounce here after this drop. That was beautiful. That was a beautiful play right here. Now, what may happen, this may be the consolidated area, possibly. If it don't make a move, you know, outside of this box, either a breakout or a crack, consolidation. So be prepared for that. Be prepared for a slowdown. If we don't, you know, if we don't get a pullback underneath or a breakout above out of this little box, expect consolidation. Just be prepared for that. Well, it's going to slow down a little bit. So just make you guys aware of that. Where it may slow down a little bit. Trying to see exactly. I'm gonna keep what I got. I'm gonna keep that price point, bump that. I know he's starting to pull back down right now. I think that was the high, right? 47.27. Yeah, 47.27. So again, if we don't break out of this little zone, I'm gonna mark it off. If we don't break out, expect a little bit of consolidation until it makes a true decision whether it wants to continue up, reverse, and come right back down. So watch this little consolidated area, guys. Let me go running. And I know I didn't brew because I know I woke up late. Let me go ahead and get my coffee up and running, guys. I need to get my energy in. Let me go ahead and brew my coffee. I do apologize about that. So give me about, I'm gonna say about 10 minutes. Give me about 10 minutes. Keep everything on watch. These key levels here. I'm gonna mark this off as well, because that's gonna be an area we need on the upside. I'm gonna go ahead and brew my coffee real quick so I can get this rocking and rolling with you guys till 1 o'clock. So we got about what, 2 hours to go. Man. I ain't gonna lie, man. Because I was thinking about it. Because I was like, see, the coffee grind I choose and the creamer. I love French vanilla. I'm a French vanilla person. Other than French vanilla, I may do creamer wise, sometimes I may do hazelnut, but my thing, I love French vanilla. I'm a French vanilla guy. So I get French vanilla ground and I get French vanilla creamer. Like, I don't know what it is about French vanilla. I just love it. It just has I don't know. It makes the coffee just taste so just, mwah. Yeah, I don't know what it is. But, but guys, let me go ahead and I guess so. But guys, let me go ahead and brew up my coffee real quick. So give me about, like I said, about 10 minutes. I'll be back up. So what we're gonna do from this point, we're gonna just like focus on this range, these bottoms, and right here to the tops of where we at for the moment. So I'm trying to map out the whole entire range exactly. So we'll play off of these bottoms right here. I'm gonna move. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off, or I can move up the demand zone up here, right in this section. Yeah, so I can move that up, and then, because I know we haven't got all the way up to that area yet. And I might, because this could be the supply zone, and this could be the mid area. So I'm trying to pinpoint something real quick on like based off of where we at right now. So I'm gonna just mark this little level off because that's the area that we got rejected. I'm gonna make that red. Just mark that off real quick. All right. 5, 6, 7. And I guess I can just mark that off, like I said, for the demand zone for the moment, until we, you know, we break above that and get that that actual. Matter of fact, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep that line, because that's gonna be the area we need to really hit. So I'm gonna keep that line dotted, and like I said, the main boss is all the way up here. So we know where the demand zone is at right now. We done moved from that demand zone now on up to a new demand zone. So buyers are ready to protect their area, trying to now rotate their way up towards the supply area. So this area may be consolidation again. So watch this area. If we don't break out or crack back below, we may consolidate until it makes a true decision, or volatility steps in and we see either a push or a pull. The way it looked like it's setting up, it looked like it want to push. It looked like it want to gear up for a nice short push up in a few. That's what it looked like it want to do. Looked like it want to gear up to squeeze that way. But guys, let me go ahead and do this because I don't want to miss any more time. Because right now it looks like it's still building. Your 9 MA is still holding. Look, the 9 MA is still building up. So notice that. And your VWAP. So watch this little area still. That's your pre-market high right here. 747.27. That's your pre-market level. And then you got your intraday level right here. And then after that, 52-week high. So these are the two challenges that you need to take out in order for you to get to the big boss itself, which is that 749.53. So you need to take out the pre-market high. You need to take out the intraday high just to get to that new high of day. So keep that on watch. We're still building up. Longs, look for a breakout from that price point up towards that 748.31. That's that pre-market high. Shorts, you want to keep them underneath that 747.27 for that pullback down toward the 736.31s, back down this way where you create like a cup. So watch those levels. I'll be right back, guys. Again, thank you so much for everything. Appreciate you guys. And we're going to keep it rocking and rolling. Be right back. Let me see. I got everything set up. Yep. All right, guys. Be right back. Peace. All right, guys, we back. We back. We back. We back. We are back in the spot. So right now, we are back above pre-market highs, holding that level. So we are still slowly building an uptrend still. We're still slowly building an uptrend. Slowly building an uptrend. You already know how difficult that is to short that. When you see these type of setups like this, hard to short that. So be mindful of that. Be very mindful of that. Let's see what we going. What we got left? 20 seconds on this candle. 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Around 47. Might get a little gap down. A little bit of a gap down underneath real quick, down to 47. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see if we can get a little gap down towards 47 real quick. Get a little pullback. A little bit of a pullback. Might get a little pullback down toward like 47 area. I want to try to catch this one. I know it's going to be a little difficult. If I can try. Let's see. I ain't get to pull all the way back down. God dog. I didn't get to pull back all the way down like I wanted it to. Let me see what's going to happen. Shoot. I think I missed it. Don't do that. Don't do that. God, dog, get the guy right back on top. Let me see. Choi Queen, what's up, girl? What's up? The OG of the game. Choi Queen, what's up, Queen? Damn, it did it. God, dog it. I didn't get my entry. Dog, shoot, I missed it. I was trying to catch that entry. I was trying to catch that pullback. It didn't go all the way down to my entry. Shoot. God dog it. Oh man. Cause I seen that was gonna pull down towards 47. I was trying to catch 47. I think we went as low as 47.09. God dog it. I think this one they're gonna try to push it. I think they're gonna try to push this candle up. Like push. Then you go, just a pushing candle. Let me see if that's what they're gonna do. God dog. I was trying to catch those bottoms. I was trying to catch that bottom. Because right now, if you notice, guys, they're all holding on top of that 47.27. So they're back on top of it, almost creating like a little mini bull flag pattern on that bad boy. I was trying to catch that pullback, that wick. I was trying to catch it to the bottom. I was off by 9 cents. God dog. I was trying to catch that bad boy. That hurt. Damn it. I seen that pullback. Now, Jay, why would you try to go for 47? Because that high day right here. I saw that high day candle right here. And I pulled it right there. See, look, if I match it, right there. They missed my order. Jeez, come on, man. Now what can I use from here then? Cause it's still trying to climb its way to that all-time high. It's slowly still trying to creep its way to that all-time high, for sure. I would have had another scalp on that one too. Let me see if they're gonna build up, if they're gonna do the consecutive green candles up, and we're gonna do like a 3-bar candle play up. Cause that's candle number 1 right here, which is the starter. Got about 2 minutes till we close out on this one. I'm trying to see exactly where it's trying to push to. God dog. Yep, that would have been a quick scalp too. Oh god. I was trying to catch it. How much higher can you go? Look on your 1 hour. Look at where your all-time high is at. Your all-time high should be sitting right around 749.53. Let's see. Where's that close at on this? Oh, it didn't open. What is that? 47.82. Okay, 47.82. 47.82. Are you gonna close above that one? Let's see. 47.82, 47.4. I could catch this next. Let me see what we're gonna do. 3, gap up. Yep, gap up. Gap up, boom. Alright, give me a pullback. Now give me a trap. There we go. Give me a trap now. Now give me a trap back down. Alright, give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Give me a pull. Give me a pull. Give me one more. Give me a hard pull. Give me a hard pull down. Hard pull. Hard pull. Hard pull. Come on. Come on. Give me a hard pull, please. There we go. Come on. Come on. Pull back. Pull back. Give me a nice little bad trap on him. Give me a nice bad trap on him. There we go. Ah! Come on! Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Don't do it. Ah. Come on. Ah, damn it. No. No, not yet. Don't. No. Pull back. Ah, man, don't. Ah, no, no, no. I wanted like a quick trap, then a push. Come on. Don't do it yet. Not yet. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Give me a trap, please. Give me a bad trap on him. Give me a fake pullback. Give me a fake pullback real quick. Come on, come on. Don't go up yet. Don't go up yet. Not yet, 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 not yet. Come on. There we go. 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 Yes. All right. Pull back. Come on. Pull your little happy self back on down. Give me a pull. Come on. Pull back. Pull back. There you go, big sexy. That's what I'm talking about. Pull back, baby. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. Give me that trap. Pull it on back. Pull it on back. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. What we got left on this counter? Almost 2 minutes. 2 minutes of pull. 2 minutes of pull. Come on. Come on. I know you want to. There you go, big sexy. Come on. Keep pulling. Keep on pulling. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Aussie, talk to him for me. They ain't listening to me. They're being stubborn right now. Nadia, talk to him. Talk to him, gentlemen. Come on now. Tell him, give him that pull. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Keep on. Keep on. Come on, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Come on. Few more to go, few more to go. What's we got left on this counter? It's almost a minute. Almost a minute, almost a minute. So it's gonna be about 34, so we're gonna have a minute. There we go. Come on. I know what you wanna do. I know what you wanna do. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Not yet, not yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Oh, I see what they let me see what if they doing what I think they're about to do. Hold on. So that means that we should get, if that one stays where it needs to stay, then that means we're gonna get one more red candle underneath. That should be it. If they doing what I think they trying to do. If they doing what I think they trying to do. Hold on. 30 seconds, almost 20 seconds. Don't go back up yet. Stay. Stay where you at. All right, there you go. Okay. 15 seconds. Should get one more red candle in. Coming back. I see exactly what you're doing. So that next one should be one more pull. Gap down. There you go. All right, give us one more pull. All right. Should be the last pull right here. Don't pull. There you go, big sexy slim. Come on. Pull. I know what you want to do. Stop laughing at me. Don't you judge me. Don't do that. I'll do that. Get on my nerves. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do one more. Let me see. Come on. Why did they miss my order? You dirty mother. You dirty broad. It was so volatile. They jumped. God dang it, I knew it. I knew it. I knew that's what it was trying to do. I knew that's what it was doing. God dang it, I was trying to get it. I was trying to catch it. It missed my order. Oh, that was so unfair. All right, let me see. Stop playing with me. No, I was trying to do it, but it didn't go all the way down to my area, to my entry. It was like right by. It was like right by it, and it stopped and jumped back up. You dirty. That was. I was like literally right there. It didn't catch my entry, that's why I said I knew what it was about to do. I knew exactly what it was about to do. Mother. I knew it. Like I knew exactly what. That's why I was trying to get in. I was trying to go for that bounce. I was trying to catch it because I think it's gonna like. God dang it. You dirty broad. That would have been another scalp, is what I'm saying. I could have got another scalp. And then. God dog it. Damn, that was. Alright, let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Cause now, I mean, that was the scalp I was trying to catch. That was gonna be the scalp, Nadia. That was gonna be the scalp. Until we break above that 47.82. Alright, let me tell y'all what I was trying to do. Okay. I was trying to play the pullback bounce, where I was gonna buy down here and then reverse it back up to here. That was gonna be a quick scalp right here in this little bracket. That was the goal. Now y'all get what I was trying to do? Now y'all get it? That was the goal, was to try to catch the quick, like the scalp on that one and then set up for the bigger move coming. That's what I was trying to do. I was trying to play right in this little bracket. That's why I was trying to count the candles down. This red candle down to here. When I was expecting this one to pull back right here and then bounce. It's like it bounced too early. It bounced early. That was gonna be a quick scalp too. Oh, I was ready too. Oh, I was so ready. I was trying to do it. It didn't pull all the way back down. but now y'all see what I was trying to do. Like I said, I was just trying to go for a quick scalp play on it. So let's see now what it's about to do. Now that scalp play messed me up, let's see what's gonna happen now. Let's see where we go from here. Since that didn't mess that play up. Dirty broad. Oh, that was dirty. So making another pullback, another red candle, possibly now, to continue to pull back now. Now that it messed me up. Let's see. And the thing about it now, the contracts are so volatile. They're volatile, like they jumping. Like they all up, because remember the thing that was yesterday, remember that I told you that happened to me yesterday, where I got in was trying to get in at one price point, but it was so volatile that the market itself got me into a lower area, which was a good thing. Which was good. It helped my profits better. So let me see. Let me see if there's gonna be a pullback here. Let me see. Let me see if it's gonna be it right here again. Let me see if this can be the second opportunity. Since they messed me up. Let me see if I can get a little more of a deeper pull real quick. Cause y'all can see what it. Alright. Aussie. Nadia. What pattern do y'all see in front of y'all? What pattern is that? For those 4 candles. What pattern is that? What pattern? What pattern is that? For those 4 candles. What pattern is that? Look very closely on your 5-minute time frame. For those 4 candles. What pattern do y'all see right in front of y'all? That's what I'm telling you. You gotta use your eyes quick to catch it. Fast. You gotta use your eyes fast to catch it. For those 4 candles, what pattern do you see? What pattern, Queens? Yes, ma'am. See, you catching on. See how quick you catching on, Aussie? See? See how quickly you catching on? It's my lady there. It's always on point. Come on. Yes, ma'am. Y'all got it. And all you do is just take your time to read it. All you do is take your time to read it. Take your time. Take your time. All right, here we go. Let me see if I can try it again. Let's see what I can do this time. All right. All right, pull back. All right, let me see if I can get a second opportunity on this one. All right, go all the way down now. You owe me a pullback. You owe me a deep pullback on this one now. You owe me a deeper pullback. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. You owe me a deeper pullback now. I think you messing me up just now. Give me a deeper pullback. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let me see how many contracts I can. I might have to. Let me see what I can do. It's refusing to hit that down. I swear it's refusing to hit that pullback to that area. I swear it's refusing to do it. It's like. I swear it will not pull back to that area. I might just have to snake skin Randy it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Don't do what I'm doing. Don't follow what I'm doing. I might have to. Like I said, I'm gonna do it. If I take a loss, I take a loss. It is what it is. But I'm just trying to see what I can do from here. Cause I'm expecting a harder pull. Hopefully, if those buyers will allow it. But I don't think they're gonna let them pull even deeper. I'm trying to, but these buyers they're holding like a tank right now, man. They're not even allowing these sellers to pull to where I need them to pull at. It's like, man, they won't let them do it. Nope, they won't let them freaking do it. Nope, they not letting them do it. I might have the snake skin ready. It is. Snake skin ready. It is. I can't. I tried. They won't let them pull to it. I tried to do it. They won't let them do it. They're not gonna let them do it. I might have to snake skin Randy. Damn it. I might have to just do it. I might have to go snake skin Randy style on it now. I tried. They won't. They just won't let them pull. I'm gonna have to do it. All right. I'm gonna have to just do it this way. Excuse me, guys. I'm still a little sick. I do apologize. I apologize. Still a little bit under the weather. Like I said, I just gotta place just a little careful. I'm just still, cause it's not like this little area here, man. It's just crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. So I was trying to get some deep pullbacks on this damn thing, so I had to go with a smaller contract just now, just so I can add more contracts. It's gonna be a tough area right here. Tough. All right, let's see where we go. It's gonna be tough. All right, buyers. Now that you didn't want to let the sellers, all right. Now that you didn't want to let the sellers do what they needed to do. Dirty broad. Let's see. Shoot. Messed me up on my They didn't want to let them pull all the way back. That's all good though. Let's see where we go from here. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going, ladies and gentlemen? Where are we going? I'm keeping it on watch. Keeping everything on watch. It's gonna be a little waiting game right now, real quick. Let me see. Good Lord, AMD isn't a 4% already? Jeez Louise. I just realized the percentage on AMD. That's crazy. All right. Keep it on watch, guys. Keep it on watch, see where we're going. Because I want to see, can they go for that you know, trying to towards that 52-week high. 52-week high. I know we got to get a break above the intraday high for sure. Could this be the second candle where we go on this nice possible push? Could this be the one? Let's see. It's a waiting game right now. It's definitely a waiting game right now. We'll see. It's gonna be a little tough, but that's why I say I'm gonna spread. If I gotta spread my stuff out, I'm gonna spread it out. But I want to see what's gonna happen right here first. What's gonna happen in this zone? Cause we ain't got the breakout yet. Still kind of fidgeting right around that 47, 82. That's why I was trying to go in lower, just in case. All right, we're starting to pull back. All right, going for a deeper pullback again. Okay, let's see. They setting up for something. They definitely setting up for something. They definitely setting up for something coming up. I can't tell y'all what's gonna happen. I can't tell y'all that, but all I know is they are setting up for something. I don't know what's going. I don't know, Queen. I mean, it's. I mean, we'll see. I mean, it's the last trading day of the week, and I mean, we all right by that price point. See, I mean, that's the tricky point. I mean, we have to see. I can't tell you. I mean, right now we're in this consolidation. I can't tell you exactly what's gonna happen right now. I can't give y'all that. I mean, we could, if we don't break out, this bad boy could pull back down towards that VWAP and possibly towards that 36 if we do get a hard pullback. I'm gonna just have to, like I said, I'm gonna have to spread my contracts out a little bit. I should have stayed with my other one I had, but I'm gonna keep this contract what I got. So all I'm gonna do is just kind of spread out my contracts real quick. So I'm gonna wait it out. I'm not gonna add nothing right now. Not yet. I'm not gonna add anything yet. Not adding anything yet. Not yet. Because it could pull back. It's a possibility. It could pull back. I was trying to see some other areas I could. Let me see. Because I'm waiting it out. I'm just waiting it out right now. I'm just trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure something out right now. Because I could have had lower. So I'm just kind of watching this area. What time it is? 10 seconds. Almost 10 seconds. Where we at? Yep, look like it's still pulling. Okay. So let me see now. We're going to get another little fake out pullback right here. Let's see if this is going to be like the little setup. After this little pullback, we may get another one. Another little pullback right underneath. Because I'm just trying to do it just kind of. Let me see how I can slither my way. Kind of adjust my, let me see what I can do. I haven't added another one yet. Not yet. Not yet. Trying to see how this is setting up right now. I'm just being patient, guys. Being patient. I'm just letting it do what it's doing right now. I'm just being patient right now. I'm just trying to see where we're going now. You know, once we get out of this little range to see what's about to take place. All I'm doing. That's all I'm doing for right now. That's all I'm doing for right now. Cause it's gonna be a little tricky. I'm just being patient. See where we go from here. Patience. Just seeing. I mean, I could have had a lower entry than what I had. I mean, a little bit of a lower entry. I'm not sweating it right now. I'm not sweating it. I let my emotions on that one kind of get the better of me. Kind of got a little too impatient. And I did. That was my fault on that one. That was my fault. Got a little too impatient. I'm only down with $4. So I'm just keeping it on watch. Like I said, I'm gonna see where we go from this, you know, out of this range, and we get that. If we do possibly get that push to the upside, I'm gonna see where we go from here. We're gonna just be very patient on this. Got about 3 minutes. No, 2 minutes. I'm sorry, 2 minutes to the bell ring. I mean to the counter closes. It's gonna be a little tricky. I mean, you know, like I said, I could have had a better entry. I could have did better, a little bit better. That was on me. So I'm gonna just see where we go from here. So instead of me being emotional and adding it all in the wrong areas, I'm gonna just kind of just be patient on this real quick. All right, down $2 so far. Damn near $2. All right. Being patient. Being very patient. I'm just gonna see where we go. So $2 so far. I'm down. $2. Around $4. All right. I mean, not too bad. Like I said, my loss ain't too bad so far. like I said, I should have bought in. I should have kind of like got in right in this area first. That's what I should have did. But that was, like I said, my emotions got the better of me. That was my fault. I did that to myself. I did that. That was my fault. That was my fault. I should have done better than that. I should have known better. That's what happens. So I say on Fridays, guys, you gotta be careful, man. Fridays is just, yeah, don't never let Fridays dig into your emotions. Don't never let Fridays do that to you. Don't never let Fridays get the better of you. Don't never let Fridays get the better of you. Because Fridays is the worst time to let your emotions get, you know. Because you can definitely take a hit. Fridays is a whole different ball game. Just waiting it out. Waiting it out. About to close. All right, new candle gap up. All right, new candle gap up so far. Got a little bit of a gap up. A little bit of a gap up. Because right now, still in this range, for sure. Still in this range. Still in this range. So, I'm anticipating that we're going to get that push back up towards that 48, to 48 up towards that 50. Like that's a $2 push. That's what I'm anticipating to see, can we get it. So I'm still kind of waiting it out right now. Still kind of waiting it out. It's a little bit of a waiting game right now. Right in this damn consolidation. I mean, like I said, they are gearing up for something. I mean, they're definitely gearing up for something. Aussie. I mean, they're definitely gearing up. But I would like to see that break. I would like to see that push towards 48 for sure. I mean, right now we're in this consolidation. Right now, you're definitely in consolidation. That's what I'm trying to figure out. How I'm gonna play this. Like I said, I could have had a better entry than this. I kind of messed that one up. I definitely messed that one up. I dropped the ball on that. I mean, I kind of, like I said, my emotions got the better of me on that one. That was stupid. I mean, we are still holding pretty decent. But we'll see. If a short squeeze could occur, would be nice. And we definitely get a short squeeze. If we could get a short squeeze, would be definitely ideal. But we have to see. We have to see. Yep. Right in this consolidation. Right in this consolidation. Right in it. Yeah, I picked the worst. I ain't gonna lie, on this one I kind of picked the worst area. I did. I'll be honest, I picked the worst area on that one. That was stupid. So I kind of got to endure a little bit of this little pain right now that I have right now setting up on me. Got to endure a little bit of pain right now. So I tell you, boy, Fridays, man, be in and out. Like, Fridays, dude, just... So I told you, bro, Fridays is a whole different ball game. A whole different ball game. You got Tesla bouncing back up. I mean, Tesla's moving. Apple pulling back. What about AMD? What AMD doing? AMD. Yeah, AMD got a little curl back up. We need to get that break above 475. 475 breakout on that one. Set my alert on that bad boy. 475. Got like a little, trying to build like a little uptrend to that bad boy. Definitely trying to build like a little uptrend on it. On that note, we'll see though. Just want to see how, I just want to see how we're gonna come out of this box. You know, like how we're gonna come out of this range right here. That's why I'm just trying to figure out how we're gonna come out of this range. It kind of got me in a little stranglehold. But like I said, that's on me too because, you know, I picked the worst area. That was stupid. That was a dumb area. I mean, I kind of, like I said, that was emotions getting the better of me, and that was stupid. That was definitely dumb. You got like a little, I do see more of a pull coming. Let's see. I see a little bit of a pull, a little bit of selling. Let's see. I might take an L on this and just reset. I ain't gonna lie, cause I just feel like I could have did better on my entry and just kind of reset. Let me see what's about to happen. Let me see what we get right here. I feel like I could have, like I said, I felt like I could have had a better entry than what I had before. I feel like I could have done way better than what I just did. That was stupid. I still see them holding. All right, we buying back up. I'm trying to have faith in this play that it's gonna hold, because I'm trying to. It's pushing me to that limit. Let me see. I see buys buying back up again. Had to get caught in this damn consolidation. That was stupid. Oh, that was stupid. Come on. We're gonna break. What we gonna do? We're gonna go for this squeeze. Because all we got to do, like I said, once we get a break above that 47.82, I mean, that should take us from this little area up to here. That's what we should. I mean, if the buy's going to have it, we should be blasting through this up to here. That's what we should be seeing. Not yet. Not yet. I think we're going to get a push first. See, that's what I'm anticipating, that we're going to get this push first. So that's what I'm trying to see, if those buys gonna step in and go for this push. This should be the area where they should be trying to go for it. Because they already created a bad trap. They already entrapped some shorts right back down. And then squeezed them right back up. So they definitely setting up for something. They definitely setting up for something. I'm just trying to figure out. Because you're right into this consolidated area. Like right in the zone where they definitely creating traps right here. They definitely in the zone where they definitely creating traps. Because it's trying to go for that push, but we need a strong counter push. I mean, towards the 48s, towards the 748s. We definitely need to get that strong push towards that direction. Because we got a lower shadow. That's good. That shows the buying pressure stepped in. We just got to get that strong push. We got to get that strong push to come out of this range that we're in right now. It's almost like it's trying to create a wedge in a way. Almost like a wedge. I see it's trying to create a wedge, like tight. It's like it's trying to tighten up. It's trying to. Yes, boys. Yeah, this one got me. I ain't gonna lie, this one got me in the stranglehold right now. This one got me, cause like I said, that was on me because I had a that was a stupid entry I had on that one. That was dumb. So I gotta kind of endure a little bit of this pain right now. Just enduring a little bit of it. I mean, it's still holding. That's a good sign on my end that it's still holding. It's like right in a wedge. I mean, why? Like it's tightening up, but we gotta see which way. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna definitely be a tough area right here. Whew, this is tough. It's a tough wait. I mean, it is tough. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, this area definitely tough. This area definitely tough right now. Man. Yeah, like I said, this area right here is tightening up. I mean, it's definitely tightening up. Just trying to figure out which way we about to go on this. Cause I don't want to. I mean, it'd be like a $10 loss if I do. I mean, I want to put my stop loss where I can just lose only $10 and I just have to make $10 back off of this. Because I want to see before I even put my stop loss on it. But we right by it. I might have to put it. I ain't gonna lie, I might have to take an L. Because I had to save my account, man. Like I said, today Friday, I can't play with Friday, man. So I had to take a little $10. I'll take a little stop loss on that. $10 stop loss. Because again, I didn't want to be greedy and stupid. I just had to because I didn't want to play around with it. So all it did was break me even throughout the whole entire day. So I'm down to 0. Shit, so I pretty much gave back what I made earlier. So I mean, I'll show y'all. So I'm 0. I'll show y'all. So no red. I just broke even. I broke even today. God dog it. So I'm back down to 47. So right here, guys, I can show y'all the proof. SPY, open 0, P&L day 0. So no loss. It just I took back, made me get back them damn gains I had earlier. I gotta get that back. So I gotta push my way forward, not backwards. So no red day, no green day. I'm neutral. I'm kinda in the middle. I'm in the middle. So I had to give back the gains I just made. Fuck, man. So yeah, I broke even, guys. I broke even. So no loss today, even out. So now I gotta get back. I gotta regain the $10, regain the 10 and plus more. Nah, that's true. Better than red. So I mean, I showed y'all my proof. So no losses. I mean, no. Like I said, I'm still cleared off in the as far as in the neutral area. So no negative. I'm neutral. I'm neutral right now. That pissed me off though, man. That's why I hate Friday, man. That's why one of the reasons why I hate Fridays. And I'll show you guys again. Show y'all my proof for those who didn't see it right here. SPY. Open 0, P&L day 0, and there you go. So, God dang it, bro. It pissed me off. Because now I got to double up on what I gave back. So that means I got to make 20. I got to make up to 20. I got to make 20. To push me back to where I was at. Damn, man. I was up at 258. All because of this damn consolidation messed me up. And that was, like I said, that was on me. That was on me. I picked a stupid entry, but I didn't hold a bag. I wound up just breaking even and just resetting myself. So instead of letting my emotions get the better of me and holding that bag, talking about woulda, coulda, shoulda, I let it go. I broke even and reset myself. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. Reset myself. So, because I gotta lead by example. I didn't want to hold a bag. So, damn, man, I'm back to 247. God, dog. I'm back to 247. I mean, I'm still in the 200. Thank God to that. But my goal is to move forward, not backwards. That's why I say Fridays. I freaking hate Fridays with a passion, man. So I'll put it back. I ain't got no shame. All right. 247. God. I was so excited too, man. I had everything just I had everything mapped out. I was so excited trying to aim towards 300. Like I said, it could be another opportunity to present itself soon. So I'm just gonna reset myself, guys. Reset myself, cause I knew once I seen that consolidation, I was like, oh shit. I already knew that I was about to catch hell. I started to notice that consolidation right here. I already knew right here I was about to catch hell. I knew that was coming. That's why I was trying to hold through it. But that was on me. I jumped the gun. I got too emotional, and I got idiotic with it. That was stupid. I got stupid with it. But again, even as I showed you, I'm not a perfect trader. I sometimes make mistakes. But even throughout your mistakes, always have a stop loss, guys. Don't never hold a bag saying woulda, coulda, shoulda. Don't do that. Don't ever do that. Don't hold the bag. Don't ever hold the bag. Again, have a stop loss. Have a tight stop loss where you're losing a little bit, but you can regain that back plus some. Because imagine if I would have been letting my emotions get the better of me and I'm still holding the bag. And I'm just saying that pullback would have continued. Now my account is getting lower and lower and lower. That'd have been stupid on my end. Now you want to go back up, you little dirty. Let me see. Like I said, this consolidation here, we're going to see. So like I said, I can't let my emotions get the better of me on this. I got to be smart about it. I gotta be smart. I gotta do better, be better. So right now we're still in this consolidation right here, guys. Right here. So right now there's a lot of sideways movement. We want to see that move back on up. We definitely want to see that build back up. I mean, we are still holding 47.27. It's a good thing. Y'all still holding that at this time. I mean, that level is still holding. So that's a good thing. I can't believe I did that, man. I got emotional. That was stupid. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you what I did. I'm gonna explain on what I did. So as this was building up, what I should have done. What did I get in? I think. Trying to remember what I did. I got in like somewhere like here, but what I should have did was wait for it to get back on top of here, then play it, and that's why I messed up at. That's why I messed up at. Well, I could have had a better setup than what I did. And again, that was my fault. I mean, again, I let emotions get the better of me, and instead of waiting for the bounce back or the like getting back above these levels to make sure we get back on top of here, I should have done that, but I wound up getting in, Then this area held up as resistance and then stayed in this range, and that's why I messed myself up like right here. That's why I messed up at. So I'm gonna reset. And then, like I said, it happens. Especially, that's why I said never diddle in the middle. Now, and what they mean by that is like stay away from consolidation as much as possible until it makes a true decision. See, that's one of the prime examples on what just happened. I got stuck in consolidation, not knowing which way it was gonna go. Consolidation is indecisive. You don't know if it's gonna break out. You don't know if it's gonna crack. This is the worst areas to get in, and that's why I got caught in just now. And I had to realize that. That's why I had to get out and reset and wait for the market to tell me, after consolidation, where to go from here. If we're going up, okay, I'm gonna wait for the breakout and make sure that we come out of this range, turning resistance now into support. If we crack this, then okay, we can take this level for resistance to play it back on down. But when you are in this consolidated like state, that's when you do not play in the middle, because this area is indecisive. You don't know which way it's gonna go. You don't know if we're gonna crack below. You don't know if we're gonna break out. All it's gonna do is ping pong back and forth, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, until either buying volatility steps in or selling volatility steps in, and it's gonna give us that continuation movement. But right here, I got caught in the middle of this, and that's why, that was on me. Yeah, and I mean, and what I wasn't paying attention to, Nadia, Aussie, was the consolidation. Because even after a big move, and I'm always preaching about this, I say, once we make a big move, the next phase is consolidation. And I so happened to got stuck into consolidation, and that's why I got trapped at. I got trapped right there. So imagine me still holding that bag, right? And look where the price is at. The price is still dropping. Imagine me still holding that bag. Look at this. This is my old contract. Imagine me still holding the bag, and I'm losing even more. You see what I mean? So I broke even because I understood what my first entry was at, which I felt like I had a horrible entry to begin with anyway. And then all I did, I said, you know what, I'm going to risk. And look, see? Now you see why I got out? Now you see my point? Why I got out? Now you see my point. If I would have been still holding that bag, you see what I mean? Now, unless buy you step back in and buy back up, see, this is dangerous. Now, let's buy you stop in and create a bear trap to reverse it on them, then yeah. Now, if they can buy back up, close this candle out, then we're still in good standing as far as the upside. If they can buy back up on top of it around this 47.27, like right what they're doing, then yeah, you're good. Because that could have been a bear trap right here. But man, there's so many stop losses getting hit. That's what's really happening too. They're hitting a lot of stop losses. That's why it's so volatile and moving the way it's moving. It's hitting a lot of those stop losses. It's hitting a lot of those stop losses. That's why it's doing what it's doing. A lot of stop losses getting hit. So that means that once they grab those stop losses, they'll go back to normal. Because they may have people, like even on the long side, they may have stop losses set in motion where, you got to think about it. When you set a stop loss, the market makers can see that. They can see that. And they can go down right to that area, take you out, and then go right back up like what they just did. They could have been hitting a lot of stop losses and then going right back up. But again, when you place a stop loss, they can see that. That's why I don't place it to where they can see it. I do it afterwards. It's like, cause I do it manually. I do it I do it on my own. I don't set like those automatic stop losses. You got some people that set it up where the broker themselves will set up a stop loss for you. And again, those market makers can see that. They can see those prices and they'll hit them. They'll take you out and then they'll go back up. And then that's why you feel like you were targeted and you missed. Because that's what they're doing. They're taking them out and then they'll buy right back up, push it back up. So, like I said, imagine me holding that bag still. How much I'd have been down. I'd have been worse. I've been even worse. So thank God I broke even. Thank God I was, I didn't let my emotions get the better of me. I broke even. Hey, good. Now I need to is reset. Reset myself, put myself in a better position. Work on my reset. Guys, let me run to the restroom and we'll get ready to rock and roll. I still got an hour with you guys before I head on out. But keep everything on watch. I'm gonna run to the restroom and we'll see where we go from here. After this little pullback. And also watch your VWAP as you pull back down to your VWAP to see if that VWAP holds and to see can buyers get back on top of that 747. Because we want to stay in this range. Again, we want to try to create bear traps where we'll prevent those sellers from pulling back, stop them out, and then start to reverse it back on them. So look for that possible area. Right now, I don't know, we may get it, we may not. We would like this candle here to buy back up in time where we could get the body of the candle to get right back on top of that floor, because you'll have a huge lower shadow, but we want the body of that candle to like sit out flat right here. But because you got to keep in mind, we close underneath. This area is going to no longer be support. Now this area is going to be resistance. So you got to keep that in mind on why we need that candle to close on top. But guys, let me run to the restroom. I'll be right back. Thank you guys for your time and your patience. And we're going to keep it rocking and rolling because I'm still going to look for one more trade to kind of reset myself. But I'll be back, guys. Peace. All right, guys, we back. Let me fix my let me turn on my thing. I need to see something real quick. Pull it up a little bit. All right, cool. And disable you. Turn you off. All right, cool. So keep in mind, now we're underneath that price point. Now we're underneath it. See, we need to get back on top. We need another candle push to get back on top of that floor. Because other than that, that's going to be resistance for more possible downside to come. So that means you'll start to create somewhat of an inverted cup. Now, we could get back on top of this floor and hold. Then we still have a fighting chance to go for that push back to the upside. Yeah, I just got messed up. I can't believe I did that. Yeah, I dropped the ball on that one. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's why I said Fridays. I hate freaking Fridays. Friday's like my worst days to trade. I think what I'm gonna start doing, I don't know. Either I'm gonna just trade Monday through Thursday and exclude Friday, or I might trade Monday through Thursday, but the beginning of Friday, like the first part of the Friday, and then shut my trading off. But look at that. See that? Look at that trap. Look at this bad trap. Bull trap right now. Sellers are trying to pull a seat on me. Look at this. I'd have been holding that bag. Look at this. Oh my God. I've been holding that bag still. So that's why I had to make that decision. To be smart about that play. To not put myself in that line of fire. So that held up twice. Because you came right back underneath and then fell back on down. What's up, Queen? I mean, don't get me wrong, guys. I'm still at $247, man. But I gotta redeem myself. Man, nothing much, Queen. Nothing much. Right now, small account challenge. I'm moving up on that bad boy. So, trying to get to 300. I almost dropped the ball just now. I kind of misstepped a little bit on that one. See, it's a good thing I avoided that. See, a good thing I broke even on that one. Freaking Friday, boy. Yeah, so I started with $100. Now I'm up at $247. We talked about the TRAEDathon earlier. So right now, this is the meter for it. This is the little TRAEDathon meter. So we're gonna have 4 phases that we go through, Queen. So we got this. So the goal, I already held 100. Now I want to get to 500. So the goal for the first phase is to get up to $50,000. And then once you get up to $50,000, then we go to phase 2. Phase 2, I'm going to show you. I got all the themes to them. Hold on. Let me bring them up real quick. Phase 2 would be, come on. Phase 2 would be from 60,000 to 100,000. Then go to phase 3, which would be 100,000 to 500,000. And then last but not least, phase 4, which would be from 500,000 to the goal of 1 million. So we're gonna have 4 phases. So right now we're in the first phase, trying to slowly move my way through. You know, as my account get bigger and bigger, you know, so freaking Friday just messed me up though. Right now we're in the first phase. Damn, they almost dropped the ball on this stupid play. It almost dropped the ball on that one. That was my fault. I almost dropped the ball on that. That was, I can't believe I did that. I was almost at damn near 260. Almost $40 away. Oh, man, that hurt. That's cool. Can't believe I did that. Yeah, I would have been. If I would have been holding that bad, look at that. I would have had a bad loss on that one. I would have been. No, but not bad, but I'd have been like a negative, 20? Negative. Let me see what I got in, because I got in at 36. So down to 26.10. Damn near 16 is 20. Yeah, cash count. Yep, cash count. Doing a straight cash. See, right now, guys, we're trying to build our way back up on top of this floor. But watch this level here. Watch this level here to see can we get back on top of this level. Because buyers, we did go for a VY bounce. Back to the upside. So let's see if we're going to finally get that break back above this price point, or will we get rejected back on down, thus putting us back in this range right here. We want a strong green candle push to kind of give us a clear, give us some type of indication. Oh, I got it. Oh, well, that's why the contracts that I picked, Queen, even with 247, no. See, I'll tell you what I do. So, what I do is, instead of, even with a cash account, instead of picking too expensive of contracts that's going to take majority of my account out, I'll play with like 50 cents, 60 cents, where I can at least get, like 2 contracts. Because if you double that, 60 cents, that's 120, and so forth. So I get into where I can get like 2-3 contracts. All I need that bad boy to move is like down near 10 cents. And all I'm doing is scalping. Because what I do is I do the 10 cent, I got a 10 cent method. So depending on how many contracts you have. So for example, my max, so my max is to go to like 5 contracts. 5 contracts is 500 shares. So if I keep the 10 cent method going, 10 cents off of 500 shares, you're making $50 every 10 cents. So you bump up from 10 cents to 20 cents, all you're doing is doubling the 50. Now you up $100, right? So say for instance, you do one trade, and you make 20 cents off of 500 shares. You up $100. Lock that up. Boom, done. that means your account just shot up again. Then you do another trade and do the same exact thing. Another 20 cents. Now you up $200. Boom, lock that up. Now that 200 is added to your cash account. Now you playing with an even bigger account. And another trick that I told people about, even if you have, whether it's a cash account or a margin account, the smartest thing to do is open up at least 2 to 3 accounts and pretty much merge them together. So you're able to get what? 2 individuals in one joint. So all you do is link your accounts together. So say for instance you use all your cash in one account. All you do is take that amount and throw it over to your new account, to your other account, because it's gonna allow you to restart. So therefore you can do trading on that account. Once that's done, take that money from that account, switch it over to your last account. It's like every single account, it restarts, it refreshes. So you play out all your cash on one, switch it over to the next, it restart. Play all the cash on that account, shut it off, throw that cash over to the other account, it restarts. So yeah, there's ways around it. Trust me, there's ways around it. Just gotta know what you're doing. Alright, let me see, guys. Can I redeem myself on this one? Let me see, can I redeem myself? So we are back on top. Let me see, can I redeem myself? Let me try it again. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try to redeem myself. I'm gonna try to redeem. I'm gonna try to redeem. Let me see if I can get a quick pullback now. Quick pullback in the trap. Quick pullback in the trap. Let me see. Because now that we got back on top, bottom's held, pushing back up. Let me see, can I get a quick pullback? I'm gonna try to redeem myself again. So I'm gonna try to redeem. They approved it today? Nadia, they approved that today? I know they're talking about it, but I didn't know when it was going to take effect. When it was going to start. Oh, they did, man. That's cool, then. That's awesome. Shit, that's definitely awesome. Starts today? Oh, well, hell yeah. I'm still going to use a margin account, though. I'm comfortable with my cash account, man. I'm comfortable with it. I'm fine with cash. I mean, that's normally based on, that's really based on people that use shares. Because shares, you got to have a certain amount to be able to short. But when you got a cash account and you're dealing with options, you can short anyway because you got puts. So you got, so if you think about it, when you're dealing with contracts, you're dealing with options, you got the option to short anyway. So you don't really need a certain amount because, you're just going off of puts. So it's really, that really pertains to people that deal with shares versus, like options and stuff. Because like I said, options, you can always short because you got puts. So that's the beauty part about it. So that really pertains to people that deal with shares versus with options and stuff like that. So that's really who it benefits. The ones that deal with shares. Because you're able to, deal with, you're trying to short, because you got to borrow. You got to find shares to short to begin with on shares. But like I said, the beauty part with options, puts, you can pick any price you want, really. That's the beauty part about that. That's the only thing I like about that. Give me that type of option. I love that. All right, here we go. Here we go again. Here we go with this. I was trying to see, man. Because all I need is a few scalps, man. That's all I need. That's all I need is a few damn scalps on these plays. I was trying to catch this damn pullback, but, man. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me see something. How we looking on the 1 hour? All right, there go the pullback. All right, cool. Spy. How we looking? How we looking? Are we setting up for anything? A pattern or anything that may go over our heads that we didn't see? I see a little setup. Get back above this area here and these highs. I do see like a little flag setting up on this bad boy. Boy, I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try it again, man. Y'all gonna have to. I'm gonna try it again, man. I'm gonna see. I'm really creating some craziness right now. Don't judge me. I know I'm about to do some crazy stuff right now. Like I said, don't judge me. I know I'm about to do some crazy stuff right now. But again, don't judge me. Oh, pulling back too. Pulling back. This is so just, These setups are just so horrible right now. This choppiness is like, what the hell? This choppiness is insane. This choppiness is crazy. It better not be doing what I think it's doing too. It better not be doing what I think it's doing. It looked like an inverted cup right here. Yeah, I think that's what it's doing. Cause I see a cup, I see a handle in a way. So I see that little setup. I definitely see that setup. I definitely see that. I see that. Man. Alright, cool. Yep, I definitely see an inverted cup like right here. So we could fall all the way back down to that pivot point then. It's a possibility. If we can't get that break back out, well, that bad boy can pull right back to that pivot. You leave from it, you return to it. So if we don't get that breakout and that push back that way, I mean, it could be aiming right back down to the pivot point towards that 46.31. Because you know how much we rotate around it. We already rotated above it. Now it possibly may be setting for a rotation the opposite way from it. So it may be setting up to go this way if we don't get that break back out towards the upside. But that bad boy may be setting up to rotate downward this way towards that pivot point. So I do see it now. Now I see it, you know. The possibility of a downward rotation. If they do not go for that push or that break back out, let's see. The only way to avoid this setup, if those buyers can go for a breakout, go for a strong green candle push back that way, that's the only way to avoid this continuation downtrend. They're going to have to go for a strong push back up, strong push back to the upside. Because other than that, those sellers going to keep trying to pummel them right here. They're going to keep trying to pummel them and try to go for a pullback. Yeah, that's why I said this little area dangerous, man. This area is dangerous. Oh my God, this area is dangerous. Jeez. Yeah, see how we hitting the trend line? See, we need to break above that trend line. We need to go from the bearish side of that trend line to the bullish side of the trend line. That's what we need to do. Because you don't want to run up to that trend line, get rejected, and then fall back down. Yeah, this, yeah. Can't believe I fell that down. Like I said, I wouldn't even. And I saw that, I mean, and the clear signs right there in my face, but again, I wasn't even paying attention till late. So right now, look like we on this little possible little downtrend startup right now. Underneath 748, back down this way. And like I said, your true pivot is right here, 746.31. So Looks like that's what we could be aiming for. Back down that way towards that yellow line. Man. I mean, we did have a little flag setup, but it was just the fact is we couldn't get that 748 breakout. That's the only issue. That was the only issue. Because every time you run up to a 748, you get rejected. 748, you get rejected. That was the only issue that prevented that bull flag from continuing, was that 748. But now you're starting to turn, like I said, and I was like, when I first said, I know they're not doing what I think they're doing, was that inverted cup. Right there. Like I told you, I see a cup, I see a handle, and I think we may fall right back down to that pivot point. Man, I can't believe I dropped the ball on that, though. God dang, I did. That was on me. That was definitely on me. I dropped the ball on that one. That was just crazy. Because like I said, what I should have did was wait for the breakout back above to see what it turned that into support. And I don't know where my mind was at. I mean, don't get me wrong, I bought down these bottoms, but that top couldn't break. And I wasn't, like I said, I wasn't thinking. That was on me. And then right there, if y'all don't notice, guys, you got like an inverted cup right there. Inverted cup and handle pattern, right? Setting up right here. Right there. Cup, handle, and there you go. Also, you have a descending wedge that's taking place because we're still on the bearish side of that trend line. So, look like we may be aiming back down towards that pivot point, which is going to be at 46.31. Now, what happens once we get here? It's two different. I mean, it all depends. It all depends. It all depends. It all depends. It can go both ways. Once we get down to that pivot point, it can go both ways. And I'm going to explain on what I mean by that. What was it? 31, right? All right, 31. Put my alert on the downside below. That'll be for the shorts. That'll be your targeted area back down towards that pivot. Back down this way. That'll be your exit out of that area. Like I said, the only way buyers can save this play if they go for a strong push back to the upside, but they're gonna have to get above this area, because if they can get above 47.27, that's not only gonna get them above that price point, it's also gonna break them out of this downtrend, crossing from the bearish side of it to the bullish side. So that's why they would need a strong push up, a strong green candle push to the upside and close and get right back on top of that floor. That's gonna help the buyers. Right now, it's gonna benefit the sellers because that's not as it turned back into resistance. And now aiming back down that way. Now, like I said, what's gonna happen here? All depends. All depends on what's gonna happen here. I think that's where the fun really gonna start. So we can see it from two standpoints. All right. Now, from the short standpoint, you want to crack below that pivot on down, get a little bounce, trap them, and then go for that next leg on down, when you will continue the downtrend. On the long side, what you want to do is, once we do get down in this area, you want to hold, create a trap, lower shadow, body of that candle hold, and then start to maneuver your way back up that way when you start to reverse. If we, once we do get that pullback. Can't believe I caught myself in that one, though. That was crazy. I can't believe I caught myself in that one. I was, like I said, Fridays, boy, something else. So right now, we're just on this downtrend setup right now, guys. It's downtrending. And I do believe that those sellers are trying to go right down to that pivot point. They're trying to crack it on down towards 46.50s, down to that 46.31-ish area. I think that's what they're trying to pull it down to. So I have to just kind of wait and see what's going to happen after that. Once we start to get these candles pulled this way, we'll see what's going to happen as we approach here. So I want to start to do the candle, very wiki candles today. Yeah, so what I want to see also is, can we get, 3 red candles down and do our count like we normally do. So it all depends, from here, could we get 1, 2, 3 that's going to stop like right here where the buyers can hold this floor. That's what I want to see. So I want to see the start after this little doji-like candle. I want to start to see, you know, if we're going to go back down, I want to start to see consecutive red candles to the downside, like at least 3. But like I said, the only way to save this play on the long side, buyers will have to go for a strong push. I mean, I'm talking about like, I mean, if we could just do one candle alone, it'd be nice. If they go for a strong push, like what they doing, damn, it's like a sweat. It's like they hear what I'm saying. I swear it's like they hear what I'm saying. I swear, it's like every time I say something, the market reacts. I swear they can hear me what I'm saying. But if they can go for a strong push back up, get back above that 47.27, they have a fighting chance to still reverse it. You know, to still hold. But you saw that though, right? Aussie, the minute I said it, they started pushing. The minute I said that. So if the buyers can push, again, they will have to go for a strong green candle push this way from these 2 particular price points, because you want to get back in this range. Right now, you're underneath that range. Now with that 47.27 being resistance, back down that way. So your next level down will be possibly around that 46.31. So that's what I'm thinking those buyers sellers are trying to go back down to, because you got to keep in mind that's a pivot point that acts like a magnet. You leave from it, you return to it. You leave from it, you return to it. So if those buyers not break out, 9 times out of 10, those sellers going to go for even a harder pull coming, where they're going to literally try to yank them back down this way. So let's see if the buyer's going to break or if this is going to be a bull trap right here. Let's keep it on watch. I know, man, it's crazy, but it's like I know what we need, but I just need the volatility to do it. And then, like I know on Fridays, I know possibly a lot of traders left too, Queen, because you gotta think about it. You got holidays coming up. You might have some traders that already made their profits. They probably want to go enjoy their week. So instead of having 2 days off, now they can have 3 days off, because you'll have Sunday. Because after Friday, you're gonna have Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. They may already made their profits and now go enjoy themselves, which is causing the volatility to now kind of pull back, lose itself. Because some of the traders left. You may have some traders that traded at the beginning of the market. Now, and look, I swear they hear me what I'm saying. Obviously, look what it's doing. I swear they heard me. I swear they heard me. I swear they just heard me. That is crazy. That is crazy that they heard what I just said. About the only way to say that play is they're going to need to go for a strong green candle up. I swear they just heard me. I swear they heard what I just said. They took advice. They took my advice. I said, in order for us to save this play, what needs to happen? We need a strong green candle push that's going to get us on top of this price point, because it's also going to get us, break us above that downtrend setup, putting us from the bullish side to the bearish side to the bullish side. But let's see, can they hold? They need to hold. They need to hold. They did the push, but they got to hold it. They got to hold it. They got to hold. They got to hold, because they got to prevent those sellers from taking, from creating a big, monstrous bull trap. Because those sellers are coming in and pummel them right back underneath that price point. They trying to come in heavy. Sellers are trying to stop those buyers from holding that. They trying to come in and pummel the crap out of them. But if those buyers can hold. And right now, I mean, I see something else too. That could. I see something else too. That's giving me a signal on the buying side. I'm seeing something. I'll go over it later. I see something that could be giving me a possible signal to the buying side. Like I said, I'll discuss that later. But I do see something though that's kind of being brought to my attention, but it's gonna be a little tricky. But I gotta see. It's gonna be a little tricky. I do see something that I wasn't paying attention to before. It all depends on if these buyers can hold first. No. We got left 2 minutes. Get back up. Because I see something. But the buyers gotta hold. They gotta hold first. Don't fall back underneath. If they can stay on top of that level, then we may have a fighting chance to reverse hard on their own. I'm talking about on the shorts. Let's see. We may have a strong fighting chance. All right, come on. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. Good, 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 good. It's gonna be tricky. God, it's gonna be tricky. Cause I want to try it again, guys. It's gonna be great. I know they're gonna call me crazy for this. I know they're gonna call me crazy, but I gotta make sure the buys hold first, though. I gotta make sure they hold. I gotta make sure they hold. Oh God, it's gonna be tricky. It's a tough area because man, these buyers and sellers are fighting right now in this little spot right here. I see what they're doing, but I need the buyers to hold, and it's for a particular reason. And I go over it if it's done correctly. I'll go over it once it's done correctly. But damn it. Come on, buyers. You got 30 seconds, man. Go for this 30-second push back up real quick. See, I need them to close up real quick in order for me to ensure that I can possibly get it. I'll possibly do it. Nope. See, damn it. See. God dang, buyers, you just had to mess it up for me. Y'all was doing good at first. Y'all was pushing. Y'all was doing everything I needed y'all to do. Just had to mess it up. I see what they doing, but got it. The more that they don't hold, it's putting me in a harder. It's like a harder position they put me in. If that candle would have held, I'd have been gravy on that one. I'd definitely would have been good. See what I mean? Fell right back underneath that trend line. That means we have to go for either a harder push. See, they messed up my game plan on what I was about to do. Can they still do it? Yeah, they can still do it. But they gotta push and they gotta hold it. Before they get a harder drop, they need to do it now. They need to go for a harder push right now. Because other than that, a possible harder pull could be coming. They need to push and hold and not give it back. They was doing fine on this candle, but now they're gonna have to work on this one. They need to stop that. They need to stop giving back them damn gains, man. That's what's messing it up. They need to stop giving it back. Yeah, man, they messing it up. Cause I was getting ready to get set. But once I started to see that huge upper shadow, I'm like, oh my God. It's making it worse because all that selling pressure. Alright, come on, buyers, man. Are we gonna do over this candle or what, man? Good Lord. Yeah, they just messed up my play. They had everything going. I swear, they was pushing, and it's like, even the sellers heard what I said, and then yanked them back. They started off good with a push, just like I thought what I wanted them to do, but they couldn't hold it, and it's almost like the sellers also heard what I said, and they was like, oh yeah? Pull them right back underneath that trend line. Like, that was the worst forward play in stock trading ever in my life. That was the worst forward play right there. That was horrible. They was like, nope. I see how they want to be with this damn trading forward play. I see how they. I see what it is. That means that the more that they can't hold, the harder they gotta push. Do I still think longs can have it? Yeah. I still think the longs can have it. They just gotta hold. I still think longs may have it. So what I'm trying to figure out is this zone here where they're trying to stay, like right in this little area where they're trying to prevent sellers from cracking. I'm just trying to figure this out because it's right, like you went from one little consolidation to now this consolidation, but I'm waiting because I still got faith in these longs. These longs they're gonna flip it soon. I still got faith in the long side. So y'all call me crazy all y'all want to. I still think they got room to still flip this in due time. I'm just trying to figure out which candle they're gonna try to use. It may be this one, if they can hold it and stop playing. It's like, come on, man. It's like, God dang. Like, I need y'all to come through for me, man. Oh, now y'all want to redeem yourselves after y'all piss me off? Now y'all want to redeem yourselves, huh? Now y'all want to go on harder pushes. Cause y'all know y'all made me mad just now. Now they want to go for harder pushes to make it up to me. Now y'all want to do it. All right, let's see. Cause I still think that we going for that long side. I still think the long's gonna have it. I'm still not going towards the short side just yet. I'm just still not doing it yet. Not yet. I still think that they still have room. Buyers, come on. What we got left on this calendar? 1 minute. Oh, you better hold it. You better hold it right here. You better freaking hold it. Hold it and hold it. Do not give it back. Do not mess this up for me. I mean, I have to, Queen. I have to talk to it. I'm just saying. Because, I mean, look what it's doing. See, they're making it up to me. See, now they couldn't get it with this one. Now they're trying to do it with this one. So they are trying to make it up to me. I accept their apology. They know better. So they know better. Better take out that belt. They know what time it is. Time we got 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. There you go. I accept y'all apology. I accept y'all apology. I forgive y'all for being, y'all was foul for that, but I accept y'all apology. Apology accepted. Apology accepted. I accept y'all apology, man. I just gotta learn to listen. Gotta listen. I'm trying to help you, not hurt you. Oh, man. This is crazy. I just gotta have fun, man. I gotta have fun. Especially after the emotional roller coaster it just put me through. I gotta have fun now. Bump this. I gotta have fun. I gotta have some fun. Drain the shit out of me, man. I just gotta definitely. Let me see what we put them back down to. I mean, I'm gonna start looking at some shorts. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, not shorts. I mean, but some low entries. Let me see. There we go. It's gonna take my order. I'm gonna try it again. I don't think it's gonna grab my order though. Is it? Oh, you mother. I'm gonna have to chase. I'm gonna have to go in. I'm gonna have to see. Alright, 22. Alright. Alright, pull them and add a little bit more. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try. If I take a loss, I just take a loss, man. But I'm gonna try it again. So I got in a cent above the lay area. I wanted to get in there because I felt like they had me chasing this crap. Alright, let's see. Can I redeem myself from earlier? Can I redeem it? Oh, this is just this market brush. Just like, oh my god. I'm trying. That's why I'm trying to catch these lows because I wasn't chasing no top. Alright, what's the game plan now? What we doing? What we doing now, guys? What we gonna do? Let's see where we go from here. I want to catch the best lows as possible. Oh my god. Come on. This is crazy. This is insane. This is madness. This is madness. This is madness. Oh my god. This is crazy work, man. Yeah, guys, I hate Fridays. I hate Fridays. I definitely hate Fridays. I definitely hate Fridays. This is insane. This is insane. I was trying to catch as many lows around the lows as possible. It was just so volatile. I couldn't really. It's like, oh my god. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying, man. It's just the way the market is right now is just it's insane. Like, that's why I was waiting on pullbacks, man, just to kind of reduce my risk, because the way it's going right now, it is crazy right now. Like, damn, this is driving me nuts. Like, I'm trying, but good lord. They trapping every which way. The traps are insane. The traps are insane right now. I mean, they bear trapping, bull trapping, bear trapping. It's like, oh my God. Yeah, I know, Queen. Don't do it yet. Don't do it. don't do it. Yeah, cause I'm over here stressing. I'm trying to catch every like setup where I can have a low risk. It's like, man, jeez Louise. It's like, I mean, don't get me wrong, even the loss is not bad. It's like, it's just the manipulation right now is insane. It's just so much back and forth. Like, oh my God. Don't trade this right now. Definitely don't trade this right now. Cause you'll be stressing out. Cause it's definitely doing that to me. Jeez Louise, man. This is crazy. This little area is sick right now. This area is crazy. This area is diabolical right now. I tried. That's why I didn't chase it. That's why I tried to catch it like just on a lower area, because I don't know what the hell to expect on this. I don't know what to expect. My risk level not bad though. I mean, my risk level is not bad, but still, man, this is crazy work. This is insane. This is insane. Oh my God. This is insanity. Try to catch these lows, man, but this shit is wicked. This stuff is wicked. I mean, I see that they holding, cause we all back on top of the 47.27. That's good on my behalf. Oh my God. And keep in mind, we did cross from the bearish side to the bullish side now, creating somewhat of a U shape. So I try to catch the bottoms. I mean, it's all right now. So let's see. Oh my God, have my nerves bad. Could I redeem myself from earlier? Can I redeem it? Can I redeem? Oh boy. Let's go. Jay gotta redeem himself. Bump this. I gotta redeem myself because I'm on revenge. I'm on revenge tour right now. I'm on a revenge tour because they pissed me off. I'm on a revenge tour. Let's see where we go though. I'm going to revenge. Don't y'all judge me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep going. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Don't play with me. Whew, boy, this is some revenge. Let me see. Can we get a squeeze, though? I need a squeeze to just let me enjoy this ride, please. All this hell y'all just put me through. Let me enjoy the ride up, please. Yes, I'm in. I caught the bottom of that candle, around that red candle. I caught it right here. Please let me enjoy this ride up, please. Please. Y'all owe me this. Y'all owe me this. Y'all owe me this, man. Now, I need to see a gap up on my contracts now, because I should be up now. This bad boy should be like in 30 cents now. I should be gapping up. Keep going, baby. Oh, yes, you sexy dog. You keep going. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, contracts. Come on, damn it. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Y'all owe me. Y'all owe me for that one. It's revenge tour now, baby. Put me in the 30-cent area. I need to put me in 30 cents. At least I know I'll be up damn near 10 cents. Come on. I want to see a gap up. Let's go. Come on. Come on, contracts. Give me that 30 cents. Because at least we can start $10 back up. I can redeem my $10 I had. Come on, man. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, you monstrous bastard, you. Let's go. Cole, keep going. Keep going. Oh, keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I know we're about 3 cents. Let me see. $3 away. Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep squeezing them. Go for a hard push. Please keep going. Y'all owe me. Y'all owe me for this. Y'all owe me. Y'all owe me, owe me, owe me. Let's go. After all this what y'all put me through, y'all owe me this one. Y'all owe me. I'm holding on still. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding my position. I'm still holding my position. I want to see that break towards that 48. Like 48 up. I want to see it go back up towards those highs, pre-market highs of around 40. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, y'all owe me that one. So I snuck in. So I kind of like snuck in around that red candle. So I kind of snuck in on that one. Because I want to see, can we get the continuation push though. I want this continuation push. I want this bad boy rocking it up now. Y'all owe me this one. The market owes me this. Y'all owe me this crap. Squeeze the living piss out of them. Let's go. Y'all owe me this. Y'all owe me this trade at least on a Friday. Please. Y'all owe me this. Y'all owe me this trade. Y'all owe me this trade right now. I could have had it lower, but what we got left on this candle? 30 seconds? Yeah, they owe me this one. They owe me this one. Keep going. There we go. Come on. 20 seconds, baby. 20 seconds. Are we going to break through that 87? That 47.82? Come on. Squeeze. Go for them short squeezes right now. Let's go. I want that bad boy ripping. I want it ripping. Y'all owe me. Y'all owe me one. Let's go. We need to get that push towards 78. 48. Let's go. Come on, come on. Let's go, baby. Come on, come on. Y'all. Oh, whoa, let's go. Come on, come on. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm not putting my stop loss in just yet. Not my stop loss, but my profit. Because y'all owe me back my $10. Y'all owe me back my damn $10. Y'all gonna give me back my money. All right, we got a bull flag pattern setting up. Bull flag pattern setting up. So that means, can I add in more contracts? Or will we keep going? I don't know what to do right here. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. Because I want to get my money back. Y'all going to give me my damn money back. Keep going. Put me up in the 30 cent, man. Put me up in the 30 cents so I can start marking this off. Put me up in the 30s, baby. Because y'all owe me. Y'all owe me, owe me, owe me. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Y'all owe me this. Y'all owe me this, man. Got a little bull flag pattern setting up. Let's see if we can. Let's see what's gonna happen right here, guys. I mean, I could add more. Let's see. Queen, hold on. I'm on my trade right now, Queen. You gotta check it yourself real quick. I'm in the trade right now. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me see where we go from here. Are we gonna go for that next leg up? Or are we setting up for like a bull flag? What are we doing? Yeah, y'all owe me. Y'all definitely owe me. All right, pulling back, trying to hold. Let's see. Where's that hive day? I see this hive day right here towards 47.62. Could I add some more? If it go below my entry, I might add another amount. I might add another one back down real quick towards that 64-ish area. That's gonna pull me back down underneath right where my entry is at. Could I add another one? It's right at my area where I got in at. Right at 22. Right at 22. Could we be going for the next leg up? Because I'm holding it. I'm not letting go right now. I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go right now. I want to see what we're going to do. Are we going for the next leg up? What are we about to do? Are we going for that next leg up? Come on. Let me see what this high day is. Oh, there go my mom calling me. Why everybody hitting me up when I'm trading? I hate it. 47.64. Hey, Queen, you on my live? Tell everybody hey.
Everybody, just calling in, checking in.
Oh, good. We right here. Well, I'm still in my little trading session. We're going to soon be getting off.
All right, well, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day and good holiday.
Yes, ma'am. Love you.
Love you too.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Ha. Ain't she something else? Gotta love her. Gotta love her. Alright, what we about to do? What we about to do? What we about to do? Still around my entry. Still around my entry. So I haven't got out yet. Haven't got out. Haven't got out. Haven't got out. I'm watching this hive day to see if this hive day gonna hold. Because I was gonna add another one if we would have went below my entry. Just a little bit. But right now I'm still holding. I want to see what this bad boy gonna do because I know I was supposed to get off my live stream, but right now I'm caught in this trade right now. So hold on, because I want to see if we're gonna break through that 47.80 up towards 48. I want to see if we're gonna break, man. I'm trying to give it the benefit of the doubt. I know we pulling back. Let me see. Oh, Lord. Let me see where we go from here. All right, starting to pull back already. Starting to pull back. Could I add more? Could I add like another amount? Right in that 22. I want to see what this, if we're going to go for this next leg up. If we're going to go for a stronger push up towards 48. That's what I'm trying to anticipate. See, can we go for that next leg up? Towards that 52-week high. Can we go for it? Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. I'm waiting it out, guys. I'm just waiting it out, waiting it out. Because if this candle don't get it, we may be like in a small range. Small range before the possible squeeze. We'll see though. We'll see where we go. But this candle's about to close out in 7 seconds. 7 seconds. Right about now. Alright, there go the next candle, gap down. But we still holding a certain area where I got marked off. It look like a bull flag pattern could be setting up. Are we gonna squeeze? Are we gonna squeeze? Are we going for this next leg up? Are we gonna get it? Are we gonna get it? Come on. Come on. Alright, pulling back, pulling back. Let's see how this about to play out. Come on. Damn, plus I gotta go to the restroom. Good Lord, why? Why right now? Come on. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Are we gonna play off of this bull flag pattern on up? Are we gonna go for the next leg to the upside towards 48.50 plus? There we go. There we go. Y'all owe me my money back and I'm getting my let's see. Are we about to squeeze? On up. Come on. Come on. Yeah, they playing too much, man. They playing way too much right now. They definitely playing too much. They definitely playing too much. Come on, man. So with these buys in this breakout, let's go. Come on, man. Oh my God. You gonna hit my stop loss? No, it's not. Let me see. Come on, man. They definitely playing too much right now. They playing too much. These buys here. What we got? I mean, and like I said, the market is still. Oh, we pulling. Come on. This is ridiculous right here, man. This is a ridiculous setup right here they got going on. What time it is right now? 1? This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Now you see why sometimes I hate Fridays. Now you see this, man. We got a good setup in these, like they. Come on, man. All I need is this reversal. Yeah, see. We got left on this candle. I'm still holding. I'm still the crazy part. I'm still holding, just to see where we're gonna go, like from this little area right where we at. And we got what, 2 minutes left, and they still pulling though. Come on, man. like this little area right here is where we need to break, man. Right around, like I said, we need that 48 break because that's where we having a lot of resistance at right here. We getting like, I mean, it's where a lot of this resistance is. Right where we at. It's almost like a damn near triple top. It's like right in this little area, man. We just not getting that break yet. Let me see something. Hold on. Let me see something. Hold on. Let me see if I can see something else. Hold on. I'm trying to see something. Let me flip. I mean, could they play? Well, I'm gonna have to see. Kind of a little steep though, uptrend. Let me see something. That's gonna be a hell of a steep uptrend on that. I mean, it's probably gonna be. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what's about to happen right here. Still looking weak though. God. What time it is? Let's just open this candle. Man, I don't think we're gonna get it, man. It's like it's too many sellers up here. It's too many sellers. I don't know, guys. I'm trying, man. It's like I'm trying to bear with them, but it's like it's so many sellers up to this area. It's like it's because I want to see that breakout, but we got too many sellers up here. Way too many sellers. Too many sellers. Because buyers will have to come in strong, man, but they not pushing right now, man. Especially towards that 48. Especially towards 48. That's the issue. Upper shadow. See, it's not. Man, do I have to take a $2? Let me see. I'm trying, man. This part right here is irking my nerves. Seriously. Like right where we at. This is why I want to see them push. What we got left on this candle? Keep it on watch, guys. I'm still keeping on watch. I want to see if we're going to close below that price point or above it. I know we got 2 minutes left. This little area. I'm just trying to see how tight they're going to hold this area real quick. Just to figure out what I'm going to do from here. We're going to fall. Still keeping on watch, guys. Still keeping on watch. How are we looking on everything else, though? You see right here we have strong resistance. That's why we need a strong push. Other than that, that bad boy will come tumbling back down. If we don't get that push, I mean, we're going to just come tumbling. See? Man, I'm going to have to just take a... I might have to take a little... Yeah, they not holding, man. I might have to just take a little small loss on this one, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I tried. It's like the second time I done tried for the stock. I mean, for the thing, it's just not happening. Yeah. I have to just take an L, man. I'm gonna have to take an L on this one. I just tried to wait it out. It's just that we have too much resistance up here. I just can't get it. The sellers, man, it's too strong up here. I can't do it. We're still pulling. Yeah, I had to just take an L, man. I'm gonna have to move my stop loss. I'm gonna have to put my right where I'm at. I'm gonna put it down at 15. I mean, that's why I'm gonna have to move my stop loss at. It's the only way I can do it. I mean, I have to reduce my risk. I mean, I'm just gonna take it. It hit my stop loss. I had to. I mean, yep, I had to. Jeez, I had to take a loss. God damn. And then look what it's doing. See this manipulation? It's insane, bro. Like I said, now you see why I hate Fridays. Yeah, that shit. Yeah. So I'm down $7. $7. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm down $7, man. $7. Now you see why I hate Fridays. Now you see exactly why I hate Fridays, man. I'll take a picture of it and show y'all. I mean, $7. Still. I tried. Yep. So Fridays, I'm sorry. So Fridays, I mean, I'm not doing Fridays no more. I'm done with it. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, Fridays, no. Look at that. So, open, -7. So, $7. Yeah, I'm not doing Fridays no more. Fridays can just, I'm not dealing with Fridays. So starting from today, I'm done with Fridays. It's too much of a hassle. I'm not doing Fridays no more. It's too fucking stressful. God from cursing. It just pissed me off, man. It's just, I hate this manipulation bullshit. It just pisses me off. So Fridays, I'm done with it. I'm done with it. Even though it wasn't a bad loss, but the fact is, still, I mean, that was too much of a headache, man. That's too much of a headache. I'm not worried about it no more. Fridays, I'm over it. I'm over it, guys. So I'm getting away from the computer, man. I'm getting away because I'm gonna refresh myself. I'm gonna restart myself next week. So let me go ahead and give everybody a shout out because I'd rather step away and not fall into this bull crap anymore, man. So yeah, so I mean I lost $7. I mean that's all I lost, Nadia, because I made sure my risk level was low. So, I mean, I wasn't going to catch a hard hit or anything. But just the fact is, it's just too much manipulation, man. Yeah, it's just too much. It's too much manipulation right in this little section. It's too much manipulation. It is. I mean, the only thing I can say, if you are going to trade, wait till you just break above this level here first. Just wait till you break above this level. Because it's just too much right here. I mean, right here, every single time, pull back. So I would just say wait for the 48 breakout, then go for it. But yeah, don't stress yourself out over that until you get. I mean, now they bouncing back up, but wait to get above 48. I say above 48. That's the only way to relieve that stress. If you're gonna jump in, Nadia, wait till you break above this area right here. Just wait for a breakout. That's all I'm gonna say. Wait for a breakout. Cause I mean, every time I try to catch these bottoms up, it just don't ever pan out. Cause we can never break above these levels. So I'm gonna have to wait till we break out because it's just too stressful. I mean, not stressful, but just a headache, man. I just can't do it. I'd rather wait till we break out. I put it like this: we do get a strong break above the upside, above this area, then yeah, I might try to go for like one more scalp. But right here, I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it until we get a break above it. It's just too much back and forth. Same area, pull back. Same area, pull back. Same area, pull back. And every time I'm always catching these lows, but it just never pan out towards the upside. Like, I'm not chasing tops. I'm getting in, like, at bottoms. Like, something like this. But we could just never get the breakthrough. We can't never get the follow-through. That's the only pain in the butt part. Which is why my losses don't be heavy. Because I'm getting good, bottom areas. It's just that fact is I'm not getting the breakouts that I'm anticipating. I can't get the breakouts right now. So... yeah, I mean, well, like I said, the best times all see on Fridays is the beginning. That's the most volatile times on Fridays. 9:30 till like 11, that's it. Shut it off. But after that, I mean, yeah. But yeah, I mean, you can see it right here clearly. Your most volatile times of the market is at the beginning of the market, and towards like 11 o'clock and whatever. But right here, it's just a lot of sideways movement. Yeah, it's just a lot of sideways movement. It's still consolidating, so it still hasn't made a true move yet. It's just consolidation. I mean, we know what the tops is as of now, which the sellers are trying to keep buyers underneath 48. And then you got down towards the 46.50. So you still got to going back and forth. Like, you're still in this range. Because, again, I've been catching bottoms like crazy, but I just never get the follow through of a breakout. It's like you get close to it, but it don't follow through. So I'm like, nah, I'm good. Because I'm not trying to damage my account. Hell no. No. And not until we get a full breakout and I see consecutive green candles, they can kiss the back parts of my you-know-what. So Fridays, there they can count me out on that one. They can count me out on that one. Until, like I said, if I see a true area of a breakout and I see those buyers go for a push, I'll see consecutive candles, yeah. But this here, no, I'm not touching this. I'm done. I'm done. I'm glad that I got my account up to where I needed to. All I got to do is, again, I got to make back at least $20. $20 will push me back to, towards the 250s to 260s. So I just need a $20 play. That's what I'm going to be focused on. $20 will push me back towards 260, then I can move forward instead of this bull crap that keep messing me up. So I'm not going to worry about it right now, ladies. So I'm not going to worry about it. I'm not going to worry about it. Even if they keep trying to push up, I'm good. I'm good on that. It's too much. It's too much. Because here they go trying to bounce back up again. Here we go with this book. See what I mean? Right back up. I'm not doing this. So guys, yeah, I'm done. I'm shutting it off for Friday. I'm not letting Friday trap me. Nah, I'm good. If y'all want to trade, cool. Just make sure you get a break above 748. That's all I'm gonna say. Make sure you get that break above 748 if you want to go for that continuation upside. So 748 to 750. Other than that, I'm not touching this. I'm done with it. I'm done. So let me give a shout out to everybody. Shout out to the team for doing a job well done. Shout out to my moms for doing a great job, guys. Shout out to y'all for everything that you guys do. If you are new to my channel, do your boy a favor. Go to my YouTube channel. Smash the subscribe button. Go to YouTube. I know the Twitch this came on. But go to my YouTube channel. Smash the subscribe button. If you are learning a lot, you're having a lot of fun with us. And if you already subscribed, you already know what to do, guys. Run up the likes because that goes a long ways. If you on Twitch, follow or subscribe to avoid the ads. Other than that, man, thank you guys for everything. Like I said, if you are still want to trade on Fridays, wait for that break above that 748. That's the only thing I'm going to say right now. Wait for 748. So you don't, set yourself up and stress yourself out. But I'm out. I'm done. I'm not stressing myself out. I'm going to enjoy my Friday and save my account because I'm at roughly almost 240, and I'm not going to gamble on a Friday to blow back up everything that I gained. No, not doing it. Nope. I'm blessed to be where I'm at. I'm in the 200 area. Now, I mean, I got to change my price to like 238. But I'm going back forward. I'm not playing on Fridays. I'm not doing this. Nope, I'm good. And ladies, don't forget, we're going to do we're going to do Monday. Monday, don't forget, I will alert you guys. We're going to do the Google Meetup again. And cream of all of y'all, if y'all want to join us, that's fine. I'll put the link in the Discord, Patreon, and so forth, where we can all have a talking session. We'll go over a boot camp Monday. We'll, go over the charts, how to prepare ourselves for the next day, which is Tuesday, because I got to keep in mind, Monday, the market is closed, guys. Monday, no trading. Other than that, we'll get ready to rock and roll and set ourselves up. But, guys, go enjoy y'all. Look, Nas pushing. Ain't that something? Now you pushing. Now you pushing. Oh my God. You see what I mean? Yeah. You see the games I'm talking about? Oops. You see the games I'm talking about? Now you see you see the games. You see the games I'm talking about? This bull crap? Now you see what I mean? This headache? That's crazy. I'm not worried about it no more. I'm done with it. But yeah, guys, go enjoy y'all weekend, man. Congratulations to all the traders who did trade. Don't turn Friday into a gamble. Don't throw away all your hard work, all your money that you made from Monday through Thursday into one day on a Friday. So my thing is, just be careful on Fridays. Don't gamble. Just enjoy what you have. Be blessed. Again, don't turn grateful into greed. Don't do that. So y'all already know what I'm about to say before I head on out, guys. Maximize your reward, minimize your risk. Always put grateful for greed, and you will succeed every single time. Till then, guys, stay blessed, stay safe. I will see some of y'all Monday, and for the rest, I will see y'all for Take Profits Tuesdays. Love y'all. Stay blessed, stay safe, and enjoy your holidays. Peace.
Subscribe for more content.